County Sheriff's Office, the reason why I stopped you is the speed limit's 35 down this road.
Stop! Stop! Okay, step out of the vehicle or I'm going to remove you from the vehicle.
But...
So I've asked you 10 times now.
But get out! Ask me to get out of the vehicle.
A speeding violation that seemed minor ended up steering an entire life in a direction no driver is ever prepared for.
All right, Ms. Black, you're going to jail. Resisting an officer, possession of drug paraphernalia for the meth pipe, and possession of marijuana.
I did nothing wrong but have a flat tire, and you drugged me out of my car for having a flat tire.
Trying to keep her record clean, Karen had no idea she was about to face a list of charges longer than the ticket itself. The plan was only to deal with a minor speeding violation, but a few arguments changed the tone, while the red and blue lights kept flashing under tension.
Allen Center as a County Sheriff's Office, the reason why I stopped you is the speed limit's 35 down this road.
And I was doing at least about 38 at the most.
No, I have you locked in on my calibrated.
Can I see that?
It's calibrated on my vehicle. You're not going to see it, but...
There's no way to show me because I'm very careful with that because I have a clean driving record and I try to keep it that way.
Okay.
Because I drive for a living.
Where are you headed to tonight?
I'm headed down to Point Sound Coast. That's where I'm staying at right now.
Okay. So you're not on Ventura?
No, my aunt and uncle sold my house out from underneath in March, so...
Oh.
Yeah.
They sold it out from underneath you?
Yes.
So, like, were you renting and then they...
It was rental. Oh, it's a long story.
Okay.
It's a bunch of bullshit, though. To be honest, I just...
Okay. You got insurance and registration?
Moved out of the house. So, it should all be
It's going to be a little strip of paper, which is, yes, your sticker comes on.
And I have it in a plastic pen, and I have 11 grandbabies in it. But I know I was not speeding. If anything, I didn't see with that guy that was walking.
Yeah, you almost clipped him.
And he was black.
Oh, I know. I saw he was wearing something.
Like, idiot. Like, thank God, you know, like I said, I'm a professional driver, so I drive the car.
It's going to be this piece here.
See, I'm not used to being pulled over, so I don't know what that, you know.
There's another one in your lap. This one's a good one, I think.
The refusal and the phone became fuel on the fire, followed by handcuffs and the line, "I'm not resisting," repeated at least 3 times.
And I haven't had any tickets, and I wanted to keep it that way, because I tried not to speed ever, and I was trying to keep it under 40 on mine, so
Okay.
I don't see how it was 42 at all.
All right, Miss Black, just step out for me, okay? We're going to talk back here.
For what?
Because I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle.
For what reason, though? For what?
Because I'm asking you to step out. At this point, no, there doesn't. The Supreme Court says that I can. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to make you get out of this vehicle.
And we don't have to get like that. Why are you going to be like that with a woman like that? I'm going. It's not the world. Like you like that.
Step out of the vehicle. Put the paperwork down and step out.
That's what I'm doing. My volume right now.
That doesn't need to happen.
I am kind of
Stop. Stop.
I'm not even resisting.
Stop.
What am I doing? I'm not even resisting, sir. I'm not.
Put her in handcuffs. I'm done.
I'm not even resisting because I said I'm calling my lawyer.
Let go.
Let go of the phone.
No, it's my right to call my lawyer, right?
No.
I need. For what? I haven't done anything.
Well, you can be detained.
For what, though?
If they have reason to detain you, can you stop talking?
No, because I want answers.
I'm about to give you the answers, but you won't stop running your mouth.
Oh.
Okay, listen. If the deputy believes that he has a reason to detain you, we can detain you. Doesn't mean you have to call Laura. That's what we read your Miranda for.
There was no reason to have me out of the car.
Do you have
Pennsylvania
I don't even have no panties on, no.
Pennsylvania versus Mims is a state Supreme case law. We can remove people from a vehicle for our safety.
No, I want... What about my safety? What about my safety?
Traffic stops are concluded to be mere inconveniences to people who are driving.
A bag was opened, and what was inside immediately changed the tone of the story. The denial started jumping between, "It's not mine," and "I can prove it."
After everything you see today, I want a sergeant out here now. I want Sergeant Miller.
Take a seat.
He's working the interstate right now. He's not working on patrol.
Tell him I would like to speak with him.
No.
Take a seat.
And sir,
this isn't pick and choose.
Okay, well, like I said, I ain't wearing any panties.
I'm not looking at anything.
Well,
Hey, ma'am, have a seat.
I'm trying to get up here, okay? And it's kind of hard.
Okay, just have a seat.
Well, can I get some help? My God, I'm in handcuffs, and it's
trying
a
to pick you
step
up a
up.
little bit.
Thank you. Jesus, have a little respect for somebody. And I want to talk.
All right, Miss Black, you're going to jail. Resisting an officer, possession of drug paraphernalia for the meth pipe, and possession of marijuana.
A meth pipe where no bullshit.
It was in your purse.
In a pink purse, my pink purse.
It was in your purse.
A purse.
Okay. Again.
Like what purse? I'd like to see that purse.
Okay. Where's the purse at?
My pink purse. You found it for the meth pipe. That's bullshit.
The one that had all your stuff in it.
That's not my purse.
Okay,
That's
well-
Susie Moore's purse I just dropped off. My purse is the pink one.
Okay. Well.
It's
Yeah.
the pink one.
That's got your
That's
stuff.
not-
That's got your
Oh,
stuff
no,
in
it
it.
does not.
Anyway, we're not going to
My
argue here on the
wallet,
side of the road.
That is not my purse.
This is what you're going to jail
Officer,
for.
you
I've
know,
already told you, and you're also
my
going to get.
wallet
You're
that I
gonna,
gave you, my ID, my driver's license. Was
You're
it in
also
that
gonna-
purse? No,
you're also
it wasn't.
gonna-
It was in the. Sir, that's not my purse. You can't take
Okay,
me
that
to
you-
jail for that. That's
Yes, I
not
can.
mine.
Yes, I
It's
can.
mine. It's not mine. I swear to God, that's
Again.
not mine. My purse is
Okay.
the pink one.
Again.
You seen the pink purse
again.
in there?
Okay. Again.
How is this right? This is not
Again.
right.
This is what's going to happen. You're also going to get a citation because your license is suspended.
For what?
You're going to have
This
to
is all
contact
news to me.
DHS.
How can I contact? How is this all happening? That is not my purse. That is Susie
You'll
Moore's
have
purse.
your opportunity in court.
No. How is this?
When she thought all she had to do was sign the citation, she was informed of charges far heavier than speeding. And her next trip was to the jail.
That's right. That's not right. This is not right. Sir, this is not right. How is this right? Oh, this is okay. I'm gonna beat this because this is straight bullshit. How is this okay? And y'all are okay with this? Y'all do people this way and you're okay with it? You know that's not right. That's not my damn purse. And I can prove it if y'all give me my phone. Because like I just told him, I just dropped a friend off. My purse is the pink one. Are you kidding me? This is so crazy. And my wallet, and when I pulled out my wallet with my driver's license, he knows I did not pull it out of that purse. I pulled it out of my pink one. He knows that. How is this okay? This is not okay. Y'all set people up for... What the hell? Lord be with them. Lord, please be with them. Y'all are supposed to protect and serve. What are you protecting? You're lying. Straight lying. Protect and serve what? We're supposed to teach our children to look up to y'all and to trust y'all, to protect and serve, and look what you're doing. This is totally wrong and you know it. And taking me to jail on something that's not even true and correct. And are okay with that. That's bullshit.
She was charged with multiple offenses, including possession of controlled substances, possession of drug paraphernalia, obstruction, driving while license suspended, introducing contraband into a detention facility, and possession of a firearm or ammunition by a convicted felon. Next, a car swerving late at night forced officers to follow it, but when they approached the window, the story took a turn few could have predicted.
Hello. Hi. Corporal Rob for the sheriff's office. Are you aware that your tire is flat?
Yes.
Okay.
I was trying to make it back to my house, that's all.
Okay. Where's your house?
It's just, I'm down the road. Like, I'm down here just renting a house.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance on you?
Well, I'm just visiting here.
Okay. Is this your vehicle?
No, it's a rental.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yeah. I might have left it.
You might have left it. Okay. You said you're down here visiting?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you from?
From New York.
New York? Okay. Hey, just because it's super foggy out, okay, and we're on the side of the road, I'm just going to have you step out, and we're just going to stand on the sidewalk where it's safe. I don't want to get hit. There's a lot of cars passing me right now.
I don't want you to hurt you.
Okay, so step out for me, and we'll stand by the sidewalk where it's safe.
Step out.
Yes, you do. Why? I just explained it to you. It's very foggy out here. There's a lot of cars passing me. It's not safe for me to stand here.
I understand that.
And I have to continue my traffic stop, so I'd like you to step out and stand over on the sidewalk for me.
But I don't have to step out.
Yes, ma'am, you do.
For a.
I wouldn't ask you to do something you don't have to do. I'm telling you, you have to step out of the vehicle. Do not make it anything more than it has to be. Just step out of the vehicle and go to the sidewalk, please. Okay? You have to step out of the vehicle.
You can look in here. There's nothing for you to see. What's happening? There's nothing for you to see.
Okay, step out of the vehicle, please.
I will. What's happening here?
I'm turning your car off. Step out of the vehicle.
Well, I know, but what?
I've told you multiple times and you've not done anything to step out of the vehicle.
But what is happening that you're turning my vehicle off?
When the command was given, words became weapons. Professional confidence and threats suddenly escalated the situation.
I don't want you to drive away while I'm asking you to step off.
I have not given any indication that I'm going to drive away, correct?
I've asked you multiple times.
No.
Okay, step out of the vehicle or I'm going to remove you from the vehicle.
But.
So I've asked you 10 times now.
But I know, but I said to you.
Step out of the vehicle now.
Why are you arresting
me? Because I'm not arresting you. Unless you would like me to arrest you for resisting.
No, excuse me. What's she doing?
Step out of the vehicle.
I know, but what I'm saying to you is, why are you asking me to step out of the vehicle?
I've explained this to you multiple times.
No, you have not.
Okay.
You asked me to step out of the vehicle, but you have not explained to me why you've asked me to
step out now.
I know, but why have you asked me to step out of the vehicle?
Step out. Step out of the vehicle.
Hold on.
Step out now.
Excuse me.
Step out of the vehicle.
You have to tell me why you have asked me to...
You're going to get pepper sprayed.
Give me a pepper spray.
But why have you asked me to get out of the vehicle?
Get out.
Why you asked me to get out of the vehicle?
All right, turn around. Put your hands on your back.
No. What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong?
Ridiculous.
What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong?
Now you're under arrest for resisting.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
resisting. No, I'm not.
You're under arrest for resisting.
No, I'm not resisting anything. No, I'm not resisting anything. What have I done? I asked you to tell me why you stopped me, and you have a body cam on your body, so I'm asking you to tell me why you stopped me. Why have you stopped me? What did you stop me for? You have to tell me that by law. You have to tell me why you stopped me.
You realize you're driving around with a flat tire when you're throwing rubber all over the road and you're failing to maintain your lane?
I was trying to come over when I was having a flat tire, and you asked me if I knew why I was being pulled over, and I asked you if it was because of a flat...
All right,
no,
we're gonna
no,
go this way.
I asked you if it were... Excuse me. I asked you if it was because of a flat tire, and you said that it wasn't.
You pat her down, and we're gonna have to get the...
Yeah.
This off.
What are you patting me down for?
Well, you're under arrest.
Why am I under arrest?
Resisting.
It's going to be stuck on her.
I have not resisted anything.
Okay.
Well, you have a body cam on, right?
Sure do. We all do.
I'm glad that you do. Because I have not resisted anything. I've not told you no. Have I? Have I told you no?
Face the car for me.
Have I told you no?
I don't really want to have a conversation with you.
No, have you told me no? This entire...
It was no longer just a side argument. The decision was made within seconds. The handcuffs came out, and all control shifted to the police.
I have a flat tire, so you're pulling me over and you're arresting me for having a flat tire. That's what you're saying to me right now?
No.
Mr. Rorath?
Yep.
That I have a flat tire, so you're pulling me over because I have a flat tire. That's what you're saying?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to lose your job.
Okay.
You are.
All right.
I've not done anything wrong. I haven't. You're arresting me for a traffic stop for having a flat tire. That's what you said. That's what you said.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
Yeah. That's what you said. No.
Give that to me. Give that to me.
You know what? I did nothing wrong but have a flat tire, and you drugged me out of my car for having a flat tire. No, that's correct. And it's on your body cam. So I hope that you're prepared to lose your job, because that's what's going to happen to you. No, it is. Because you cannot pull someone over for a flat tire. You did not offer me assistance. You did not ask me if I was troubled, if I had any issues whatsoever, did you? Oh, but your body cam doesn't show that either, does it? No, it doesn't. You did not ask me if you could help me in any way. You just wanted to arrest me. Right? Right? That's right. You just wanted to arrest me. Yeah, turn up the music. Turn it up. I love it. You're going to be fired, sir. So I hope that your wife is prepared for that. And your children. Hey, excuse me. Can you be human for 2 seconds? I'm a psychiatrist, okay? I'm a psychiatrist. Can you be human to me for 2 seconds and just tell me why you're doing this to me?
In the patrol car, promises like "we'll see who loses their job" echoed, but the legal process continued straight to the station without looking back.
You're going to lose your job.
Kimberly,
You're going to lose your job.
I would listen to this.
You're going to lose your job.
Very important, okay?
You're going to lose your job. You're
Okay.
going to lose your job.
I am now requesting that you submit to a
No,
lawful
you're not
test of
gonna-
your breath for
You're
the
not going
purpose
to
of determining
submit
its
to anything.
alcohol
No,
content.
because you haven't
If you
even told
refuse
me
to
why
take the
you put
test
me
I
in
have
handcuffs
requested
to
of you,
begin
your
with.
driving privilege
No,
will be
you
suspended
didn't
for a
read
period
me
of
my
1 year
Miranda
for
rights
first
before you
refusal,
put me in
or
handcuffs
18
and
months if
detained
your
me.
driving privilege
And
is previously
detained me.
suspended.
And
Or if you've been
detained
previously
me.
fined
You
for
didn't
violation
read
statute
me my
327,
Miranda rights before you detained me. You didn't tell me why you were detaining me before you put me in handcuffs.
Fined under statute 327.
Yeah, lose your job. You're going to lose your job.
To a lawful
You're
test of
going to lose
breath,
your job.
or
Because
blood, you will be
he
committing a
literally
misdemeanor in
has
addition
done
to
nothing.
any
He
other
pulled me over
penalties
for a
imposed by
flat
law.
tire,
Refusal
and
to submit
now
to the
I'm
test I
here.
requested is admissible into evidence in criminal proceedings. Do you understand what I just read to you?
No, I don't understand what you just read to me.
Okay.
Because you didn't read anything to me before you put me in handcuffs. No, sir. I do not understand what you just read to me.
Okay, that's probably
I
because
do
you were
not.
screaming the whole time. But with this in mind,
I do not
are you still refusing
understand what you just read to me because you did not read me my Miranda rights before arresting
With
me
this in mind,
for a flat tire.
Are you going to submit a lawful sample of your breath?
do not
Or your breath?
consent to anything because you don't know what you're doing.
Okay.
You pulled me over for a flat tire. You pulled me over for a flat tire. That's what you did.
Okay.
You pulled me over for a flat tire.
Right with you.
That's not 2 points, but she's not going to stop.
Yeah, whatever you guys got to do.
In Florida, a first offense reckless driving charge carries up to 90 days in jail and slasher fines of up to $500. She was charged with reckless driving, failure to obey, and obstruction of law enforcement. She threatened to get someone fired, but ended up losing her own license. Hey everyone, what do you think about this situation? A road rage incident that seemed to involve only yelling and hostile looks until a woman used a weapon that immediately changed.
Hey, how you doing, ma'am?
I'm wonderful.
Officer Hernandez, Orlando Police Department.
Okay.
Do you have your license registration?
What you pull me for?
I'm going to let you know.
No, tell me before.
Get your license and registration.
Let me call 911 and get a lieutenant because I seen you behind me the whole while.
Ma'am, this is not an emergency. I'm
a
police officer. I'm pulling you over.
But
okay?
I want to know why you pulled me over because I seen you.
Your license is showing suspended.
No, my license are not suspended. That's a lie.
Okay.
I've been seeing you. I went only to train to pick my.
Ma'am, you have your license with you.
I don't know. I don't know nothing about.
Why are you calling 911?
Because I want somebody on the phone with me.
This is a traffic stop.
Okay, listen. Okay,
You need to hang up.
I don't have to hang up. I'm on the call.
This is not an emergency. I am a police officer.
I just can't. I'm not from Orlando. I came to get my friend girl a ride from this place. I seen the officer behind me the whole while. I knew he was following me. And,
ma'am, you need to hang up.
Why he was pulling
You're about to go to jail for misuse 911.
On the phone.
Hey, step out of the vehicle.
I literally was just.
You're about to go to jail. Step out.
The victim's friend presented a different account. They were chased, threatened, and even forced off the road.
Step out of the vehicle.
Okay. He said my license was suspended.
Why are you calling 911?
I called 911 because I don't trust y'all. That's the reason why. And they, y'all will stay on the phone, please. I only came to pick my friend girl up.
Okay.
You need to don't understand why we're going through all these extra steps.
I don't either. Thank you. I'm on the phone still. No, don't take my phone. He's taking my phone, man.
Right now you're being detained.
Okay, now I am.
Okay.
That's crazy. I'm only giving my friend a ride. And I called 911 because, don't turn me around. Don't tell me what to do.
Hey.
I'm right here.
Listen.
I'm compliant. I'm on the phone with 911.
Just stand there.
Knock it off.
He was wrong.
Relax.
I'm relaxed. Why
telling
would you
you,
pull me? I only came.
Because I'm allowed to pull you over. I just
know,
told
but
you
you
your
tell me my license is
suspended.
suspended. My licenses are not
It's
suspended.
showing suspended.
My licenses are not
trying
suspended.
to verify.
Let's verify that.
Okay, verify. verified. But y'all cannot be mad because I called 911. I only came way down here to get my friend a ride home.
So, ma'am, listen to me real quick. I'm not.
Hold
on. What's your first name?
Akira. I'm on the phone, ma'am. I'm on the phone.
She's calling 911.
Yeah, because
it's not an emergency.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He told me he pulled me over because my license suspended, and that's a lie. I only came way down here to get my friend a ride home, way back to Brandon. He lied on me. My license ain't suspended. I drove a whole hour and 40 minutes to get my friend.
I don't understand why we had to go through all this.
She was talking to me. She asked me a question, and she called my name. She pulled my license. She told me that, yo, you can put me in. My license ain't suspended.
Why are we going through all this?
Because he was wrong. I drove an hour and 40 minutes to get my stranded friend.
You could have just...
She claimed she only wanted to get information after the collision, but what she pulled out turned the confrontation into something...
Stop right there. Stop right there. Look. So,
I don't like that.
look at this. So, we ran your license. It says license not valid. Okay?
Why?
I don't know why. That's why we're trying to figure out. But you started getting all uppity with us.
Because my license shouldn't be suspended. I barely even drive. Okay, you can take me wherever you want to go.
We don't have to even do this. It's for a suspended license.
Okay, take me.
We were going to be nice and be like, hey, listen, you might not even know your license. You were not being nice to us. Now you're going to jail for resisting.
Okay, resist what? Okay, come on.
This is the most silliest thing I've ever had to arrest someone for.
Okay. Listen, my license shouldn't be suspended.
Okay, there's no need to call 911. I told you multiple times to hang up.
We have to inventory it now because...
It doesn't matter. He still don't have permission to search my car.
Okay, well, we have to inventory it because we're towing it.
It's okay.
Listen, no. Like I said.
It's okay. Do what you gotta do. I don't do drugs. I don't smoke. I don't do drugs.
Okay, man. Did you have an insurance lapse?
No, I have insurance. I have progressive insurance.
You do.
I do.
So your license got suspended for a financial responsibility.
My son got in a car accident on my red truck, and he wasn't able to provide insurance. So they suspended my license and his license on the strength. But at the time he had an accident in my truck, I was in Atlanta.
Okay.
And being that he wasn't
When the statements matched the evidence and witnesses, the police no longer hesitated and...
able to provide it,
All right.
they suspended. But
Okay, then why couldn't we start this from the beginning?
I couldn't.
But you started going crazy on us. And you know what? You want to know honestly what we would have done? I'm like, listen, ma'am, go get this fixed.
Yeah.
But you went crazy on us, and now we're going to jail.
I ain't did nothing, so of course I'm gonna be like, what you gonna leave up? If you the type of
Ma'am, you're driving on suspended license, okay?
I understand.
Majority of the time,
now,
we're not going to take you to jail for suspended license. We're either going to give you a summons,
That's
or we're going to say, hey,
understandable.
listen, go get this fixed, okay? But when you start acting like that and start going nuts,
can I be honest with you?
You take it out. No, we're done talking because you don't want to listen to anything that I'm saying.
Okay.
Ma'am, I try to explain to you multiple times. Hey, listen, my body camera is rolling. I said hang up multiple times. This is not an emergency. Okay? There is a crime for calling 911 when there is no emergency.
No, I
am a
thought it was
No,
emergency.
ma'am, are you going to let me speak? Just let me speak. I'm trying to tell you. Okay?
Hey, she had knowledge that her license was suspended. She said
told you?
yes.
Suspended?
And yeah, right there. All right, you good to go? Thank you.
Y'all won't understand it until you have to go through.
I would understand it if you were more compliant with us. We would have probably given you just a warning. But you weren't compliant at all from the get-go. So
I told you multiple times to
It
hang
doesn't
up.
matter what you told me. I still have a right to
Yeah, okay, ma'am, I just told you it is a crime to misuse 911. I told you it was.
Let's go. Call it out. Give out the.
Yeah, let's go.
She was charged with assault and traffic violations, resisting a law enforcement officer, and misuse of emergency 911 services. Up next, starting with an invalid license plate, what seemed like a routine traffic stop opened a chain of events that immediately put police on alert.
I was going to file a police report this weekend. My new tag was stolen out of my car. My birthday's not until the end of September.
Right. Yeah, they replaced the tag already. Tag's
What?
replaced for the car.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it was stolen. I was at the DMV, got the tag, put it in the backseat of my car, did a few errands, And boom, my tag was gone. I called the DMV and they said, file a police report, get a copy of the...
You know what tag that was?
It was like DD, I don't know the new tag number.
Do you have the registration for the old tag?
Oh, I'm sorry, I would have filed it already.
Oh, it's all good. Yeah, it was just weird. Ran and came back to not coming back to anything.
Yeah. That's my old one.
Is this the one that's stolen?
No, that's the one that's on my car.
Okay, 15.
Wait.
15.
I do have it.
15.
Should I get on my car?
Please.
Hold on 1 second.
Ma'am, just deep breath and just step out of the car for us, please.
Why?
Please step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
Miss Conrad, can you step out of the vehicle?
I want you to give me the ticket or whatever, and I want to go.
Miss Conrad, step out of the vehicle.
Miss Conrad, get out of the car now, or you're going to get tased. Because I just told you to get out of the car and give me a lawful
What did I do wrong?
Step out of the car now. Step out of the car.
Get out of the car, you're getting tased.
When the officers opened the door, the conversation turned into a brawl. And with one poorly timed...
Conrad, leave everything there and get out.
No.
Miss Conrad.
I want my lawyer. I want my lawyer.
Get out of the car. You're going to get tased.
I want my lawyer. I want my lawyer.
Car! Get out of the car! 521, 528, code 4. Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
No! Let me go!
Stop.
What is the matter with you?
I'm gonna...
Ow! Stop it!
Get out!
Please leave me alone!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
What did I do?
Get on the ground!
What did I do?
Get on the ground!
No, what did I do?
Get on the ground now!
What did I do?
Get on the ground now!
I didn't do anything wrong. I did nothing
Currency.
wrong. I did nothing wrong.
Don't.
Stop it! I did nothing wrong. What did I do wrong? Please, officer.
Big ass bag of dope in the center console.
What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? I didn't do anything wrong.
528, we got one 1015, code 4.
What did I do wrong? I did nothing wrong. Please, why are you doing this?
Just get a supervisor. No, you just get a supervisor this way. We got a taser deployment and start FD.
I'm going to help you, okay? What needs that?
Both, but the left is worse.
Okay, so is it easier for you to roll onto your right leg and then stand up?
Yes.
All right, let's do that.
Definitely.
All right, we got the fire department coming so that we can take care of your arms.
Can I get my shoe?
We'll get your shoes.
It's under the car.
All right, yeah. We'll get it.
Come over
Miss
here.
Conrad, you should just
Please
listen.
get my shoe.
We'll get it. Just walk over here.
Over here, please.
Okay.
Come over here. We're gonna come over here. You want to sit on your tailgate? Is that easier?
No, I want to...
Miss Conrad, there is a large bag of methamphetamine or cocaine or something sitting right in the center console. I watched you grab it and stuff it down. Yes, there is.
By the time she was handcuffed, she was begging, arguing, and denying everything. But the camera told a completely different story, and it...
All right. Please put your shoe on. You asked for it.
No. If there's anything in this car, it's not belong to me.
It doesn't matter. I watched you grab it and stuff it.
He saw you. All right,
I watched you grab it and stuff it. It's on
We're
my
done.
camera. I'm looking right at you.
Miss Conrad, stop.
I am clean. I don't look at. I mean,
You seem
do I
clean.
look like? I mean, I'm not.
Gotta be right there.
I have no problems. Oh, please get it over. I have no drug problems. Look,
We'll talk.
I keep my shit together.
We'll talk.
I can't-
Miss Conrad, look, we'll talk. But you really
we're not gonna
escalated
talk.
this. You escalated this.
I'm sorry. I need.
Hey, 528. We don't need more units.
I'm gonna
Just the
upset the
supervisor.
number.
Let me adjust your handcuff. It's really tight on your hand, okay? Just give me a second.
I know it is.
I got it. I just got multiple units.
I mean, I don't have any.
We're good.
I don't cause anybody any problems. I do what I need to do. I mean,
No, we got one. She's got a big bag in the center console, Krinsky saw, and she got real nervous and started shoving it down. Then we asked her to step out. She wouldn't step out. She's like, get my order. I open the door. She tries to push the car. Krinsky tases her. And then it wasn't really effective, and then I popped the taser off. And then that was effective. You know her, right? Huh? Vicky Conrad? You want to see it? Look.
Ooh, that's a big old bag.
Can I please have a cigarette? Please.
You got a cigarette pack in there?
Yeah.
She wants a cigarette.
Please. Thank you. My nerves are just shot. It's been a long day.
Okay, well, listen, this could have been a lot easier if you had just listened. And I don't like doing this because it's just more paperwork for me to do. But when you looked like you were about to flee in the car, and I'm not going to get run over because you have a bag of dope in the center console.
I got arrested for a 15-year-old roach that they found in my car.
Okay, but this is not a 15-year-old roach, Vicky.
I don't
Come
have
on.
anything on me. I don't. It's not mine. There's nothing in the...
Well, I'm not asking you any questions. I'm just telling you that this is why you were asked to step out of the car.
I've slept. I sleep. I'm not a drug abuser. I'm not...
In the end, from a simple traffic warrant, she managed to upgrade everything into a series of...
Literally watched you grab that bag that had narcotics in it and try to stuff it into the center console, right? That's when I asked you to step out of the vehicle. So I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle for a reason. I watched you grab the bag and put it down in the center console.
I've had police.
Okay, but you obviously knew that that was something you weren't supposed to have in the vehicle and got freaked out by it, right? So
I'm gonna hold on to that. I'm trying to find a lighter for you.
I have a bunch on my door if you need one.
Hey, Vicky, I'm gonna read your rights real quick, all right? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you can question. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any questions you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand those rights are at you?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So, what's the deal with your tag again? You said it's stolen?
Okay. I got it registered. I went and had it renewed on the 31st. And ran a few errands, and it was stolen out of my car.
So it was stolen around the 31st?
Yes.
And what's today?
I called the DMV, and they said to file a police report, and they would give me another one for free.
Okay, hold on.
And I just haven't done that yet.
So, stolen on the 31st. 30th first or 30th?
It was either the 31st or the 1st, one or the other.
31st or the 1st, okay.
I believe it was the 31st, so.
Alright, tag was stolen on the 31st, and you called the DMV. And why it take you so long to...
I've just been really busy. It's just been a really busy week.
So you're driving around with a tag that's not assigned to the car.
I didn't realize that. I figured, the registration was good. The tag was good,
Vicky, you got a new tag.
I know, but I didn't realize. I didn't know. I thought my tag was still good. The register. I was getting it registered early. I didn't know I had a certain time limit to, put the tag on.
And if the tag's not registered in the car, it's going to pop up.
And
it'll show us that it's not. You're also not wearing a seatbelt either.
Okay, that tag has been registered for 10 years, so I wouldn't think it wouldn't be registered to me.
No, I got you. Okay, but you got a new tag in the mail.
Yeah,
no.
I went to the DMV. I went to the DMV in person, and they gave me the tag.
In Illinois, the lowest level of assault on a police officer is classified as a Class 2 felony, punishable by 3 to 7 years in prison and fines of up. She was charged with aggravated battery to a police officer and resisting arrest, facing long-term prison exposure and major legal consequences. Perhaps the only thing she couldn't fight was the felony printed on paper. Hey everyone, what do you think about the situation? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget. A normal traffic check suddenly turned into chaos when a woman suddenly pushed the situation out of control. So what happened?
Put it down. No, it touched me. I'm finna check if I want to.
Get up on the curb.
On August 7th, 2024, police stopped a vehicle for a traffic violation. They quickly approached the driver, Victor, and everything will gradually be revealed later.
I'm sorry, miss. I'm just going home. I'm sorry. This is my girlfriend. We're just going home.
Is she okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yes. Trust me. I'm sorry.
You just blew through a...
I'm sorry. I was just caught up in the music. I'm okay. Trust me, I'm okay.
Hold on a second. Hey.
Baby. She's up. She'll get up.
She's not up. Hey, wake up.
Baby, what happened? Baby,
wake up. There you are.
I got stopped by the cops. Tell me we're okay.
Hey, are you okay?
Yeah. Baby, tell me you're okay.
Hey, no. Don't do that.
She's just sleepy.
No, she's not just sleepy. Let's be clear about that.
No, she's been sleeping.
Stop.
Driver. No, you don't have to scream at me. I have my
rights. Turn the car off now.
No, I can turn the car, but you're not gonna scream at me.
Turn it off.
You're not gonna
turn it off. Stop.
I'm good.
No, you're not.
Babe, can you tell her we're good?
Look at me. I'm not talking to you. Look at me. Are you okay?
No. Yes.
Fine. No, keep your shirt on, please.
No, fine. It's not that.
What?
I'm just trying to go home with my girlfriend.
Okay, well, you gotta give me a minute. She need fire rescue?
No, she's good.
Yeah, I think she does, but
She just gets her deep sleep. She's not gonna.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you again. Can you turn the car off?
It's already off, man.
No,
it's an electric
not.
car. It's an electric car. It's off, man. It's an electric car. It's off. Trust me. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not gonna take off.
That's not how cars work.
Well, man, this is an electric car, man. I'm not trying to be.
You can turn electric cars off.
Ma'am, I got it in park. It's already off.
Park and off are two different things.
I'm just trying to go home with my girlfriend. I'm sorry.
The thing is, she thinks it's on because it's running. Like, I don't know if you can hear the noise right now. This thing's running
The
hot.
wipers are on.
Ma'am, this is an electric car. I can't.
That doesn't mean you can't turn it off.
I'm not going nowhere, man. I'm not going nowhere. I'm just trying to go home, please.
Okay. We'll see.
The man stated that they were on their way home and that his passenger, the woman, was simply asleep. But was everything really that simple? Was the woman truly just sleeping, or was she under the influence of other factors?
There's no ID in there. What's your name?
Melina.
Melina?
Yeah.
Have you ever been arrested?
No.
Do you know who the president is?
Yes.
Who is it? Who's the president? I need you to answer me. Wake up a little bit.
The president?
Yeah.
Donald Trump. Donald Trump.
Who?
Donald Trump.
Donald Barton?
Donald Trump.
Dog Park?
Donald Trump.
Can you give me your name?
Yes.
What is it?
Donald Prime.
Donald Prime.
At this time, an officer began taking statements from a woman named Melina. She appeared erratic, confused by simple questions, and showed signs of being drunk. Is this just a normal hangover?
I'm going to ask you to put your right in front of your left heel, touching toe like so, and then hands down by your side. You can go ahead and begin.
9 steps.
As instructed.
1, 2, 5, 6, 12. What else want me to do?
As instructed. Have you completed the task? How many steps?
Told me to take 12 steps forward.
You sure the number was 12? Does it test both your cognitive memory
Just tell me right now.
abilities? Alright, we're going to go ahead and move on. Come right here for me. And put your feet back together for me, how I had you in the first stance. Feet all the way back together. And then hands down by your side. Okay, I'm going to ask you to remain in that position until I instruct you to do otherwise. You understand?
Alright, listen.
Okay, 1001, 1002, 1003, until I instruct you to stop. If you put your foot down, understand that I do not want to put your foot down. But if you do, I'm going to ask you to immediately pick it back up and resume counting from where you left off. If you don't have any questions, go ahead and begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1012.
Time of 30 seconds, okay? So 30 seconds in your head.
Can I shout it out loud to you?
Sure, you can say it out loud. Okay?
Just let me know. Just let me know when I'm
You're
going.
good. Go ahead and tilt your head forward.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Go ahead and begin.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hey, Victor, you are being placed under arrest for driving under the influence, okay? Well, that last one is not really a test, because of your demeanor earlier, I don't want you to fight me before the handcuffs go on. And they're not pass or fail, they're just tasks.
Please, man, I'm just trying to go. I passed the sobriety test.
They're not pass or fail. They're not pass or fail. You go have a seat. Do you have anything? Do you have any pocket? Do you have anything in your pocket?
Well, why am I going to jail if I pass the test?
They're not pass or fail. I explained that to you.
Huh?
You up against my car, please?
But I passed the test. Why am I going to jail?
They're not pass or fail, Victor.
Oh, okay.
I explained that to you.
Okay.
You widen your stance for me?
Okay.
The man was also taken for a DUI, driving under the influence test. After undergoing a series of tests, he was officially placed under arrest. But this was just the beginning. The story of this couple was still far from over.
Okay. I need you to come with me, and you're going to sit in my car.
No.
Yes. Because this car is getting towed.
No.
You can't be in it when it's getting towed.
No.
Melina,
No.
get out of the car.
No.
If you don't get out, I'm going to make you get out, and then it's going to be a bigger issue. And then you can go to jail. Get out of the car.
Dumbasses! Stupid asses! Stupid either way.
Okay, what is the problem right now?
Y'all stupid as That's what it is. Y'all stupid as fuck. That's what it is.
No.
Don't touch me.
Down.
No.
Put it down.
No. Don't touch me. Put it down. No, bitch. Don't f***ing touch me, bitch. I'm finna check if I want to. Don't finna touch me. Finna touch me. Don't. You.
See if you can grab her legs and just try to pull her out like that. You should be able to pull her out now. Be careful.
Good over there?
Yeah, I'm good. Just hand fighting me. You can just help her pull her legs up. Because she's kicking like mom. Get up around the curb. There you go. Got it. All right, here.
I have one white female, 10-15.
We'll go on the side. You can fix your top.
Don't put my foot up, you talk.
We're trying to cover your shit up. So
I don't give a you.
No, put her in my car.
I don't give you.
Although the police created conditions for Melina to be picked up instead of detained, she stubbornly did not cooperate, provided false information, and refused to leave the vehicle. Tensions escalated when she began screaming, cursing, and protesting. When backup arrived, Melina continued to struggle and kick at the police, forcing them to use coercive measures to control her. Legally, the suspect in this incident was arrested and charged under Florida Statute SS 843.02 for resisting a public official, specifically, whoever shall resist, obstruct, or oppose any officer as defined in S 943.1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, or 9, member of the Florida Commission on Offender Review or any administrative aide or supervisor employed by the Commission, county probation officer, parole and probation supervisor, personnel or representative of the Department of Law Enforcement, or other person legally authorized to execute process in the execution of legal process or in the lawful execution of any legal duty, without offering or doing violence to the person of the officer, shall be guilty of a misdemeanor of the first degree, punishable as provided in S 775.082 or S 775.883. After being controlled, Melina was detained on charges of resisting law enforcement officer, facing a prison sentence of 1 year and $1,000. Meanwhile, even though Victor cooperated, he was still charged with driving under the influence. DU. Not stopping there, another Karen from Georgia will take the extravagance to a whole new level. On February 24, 2023, police responded to a bar after a woman was denied entry, but still attempted to enter. What will happen next?
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
You're not gonna leave?
I ain't done that. They ain't going.
All right, listen, the business wants you to leave.
Get out.
Okay.
They're not taking you. They're just making outside.
I'm not going to tell you again.
You ain't gonna touch me. I ain't done nothing. I'm so sorry. I ain't done nothing. They just had me on River Street.
All right, this is a different one.
They just had me on River Street. They're not taking you.
About 2 seconds before we grab her.
Put your ass in jail. Out of here. Like I got to see. Get out of here. Fix the get the hell out of here.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Fix the rock. You up, man. Fuck out this motherfucker, like I said. Go to the goddamn room.
We're gonna explain to
We don't want them fighting out here, okay? You're just gonna have to just go. Ma'am, I'm not gonna tell you again. I'm not gonna tell you again. I'm not gonna tell you again. Okay? I'm not gonna tell you again. Wait, hold on. Have a seat.
Yeah, she goddamn on.
Put her in. She can calm down. Put her in. tell her to calm down.
The situation was tense as the police took a lot of time to control the woman. They gave her two options: leave peacefully or be arrested for causing a disturbance and being drunk in public. However, the woman's behavior continues to be something we don't think about.
Right, that's all.
She's got paid
Because
up
I'm
for
white. This is a private business. They have the right to refuse service. It has nothing to do with color.
Right, because I'm white.
There's a whole bunch of... I really would like a vehicle to come and you guys can go home. And she's gonna be fine. She's gonna be coming from here.
Don't let me go. Nope, let me go. Y'all kiss my ass. Pop me up, take me to jail.
Sit down. Just sit down and calm down. Sit down and calm down.
Y'all want to fucking... Y'all got to play up with the police. Because y'all got to That's all it is. That's all it is.
What is your password so I can show your ID?
I want a white person over here who's not prejudiced to me. I want somebody who ain't prejudiced to me. They're prejudiced. They're prejudiced. They're prejudiced. They're trying to lock me out because I'm white.
Tensions escalated when the woman began displaying behavior typical of a Karen. Incessant arguments, accusations of discrimination, and insistence that a white officer take over. Where will this situation go?
They cannot let you in at this location without a physical ID. That's why the police are here, because they're underage drinking. They told her she could not come in, and she forced her way in.
Because she was about to pee on me.
That doesn't matter. She's an adult. The daddy told you to
though.
come on multiple times, and you refused to leave.
But listen to my
Then when you
point.
came out here, you tried to fight a police officer. That's why. Yes, she did. It's on my camera. That's why I went hands-on, and that's why you're in handcuffs, because you tried to fight a police officer. Now guess what?
She was trying to push
Now
her
guess
away.
what?
I'm fine
Now
with
guess
whatever
what?
you charge me with.
Now guess what? Now guess what? You're not listening. Ma'am, I asked you like 6 times to just leave. I even let your family teach you to leave.
Yes,
And the reason why I'm being ugly towards you is because you wouldn't let me in the pee.
I did not
refuse.
It was the one at the door.
It wasn't me. I
the one
wasn't
that
at the
We
door.
only
Was
came
he
over
there?
because you came inside and they wanted you to leave.
Well, I apologize to y'all. Like, I really do. And I paid all over.
It was the guy at the door. He's the one that
all the way
caused
down. Because I respect any law enforcement or anything like that. Like, I really do. I'm not prejudiced. If there's been prejudice to me.
It's okay. I told y'all not to come up.
I don't give a I'm coming up here. Yeah, they shouldn't be being prejudiced. There's 3 black men right there and a black woman right here. They're not. They're prejudiced. Somebody get somebody white up here. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I want somebody who is going to be. Okay, well, I want a white police officer up here because they're prejudiced. You were very mean. You tried to push me against the wall.
Yeah, I did because you
That's
tried to.
you tried to hurt me.
You were that.
No, he don't accept my ID. He don't accept my ID. He knows.
I'm gonna tell you.
I want to go to jail and get an
We got to
attorney.
get out of here. We're trying to get
They
out of here.
hurt my neck and stuff.
We're trying to get out of here. Shut up.
And they pushed me against the wall and hurt me and injured me.
Do you need EMS?
I do call them. That's why you're a police officer, so y'all get revenge on people. Like, I ain't even no police officer trying to get nothing against no white people or a black person or whatever. So I love everybody. And they're trying to beat me down with stuff on and everything else in that bar. Well, they should push me against the wall.
The officer patiently explained the situation and her mistakes, but she still refused to stop her typical Karen behavior. She repeatedly asserted that she did nothing wrong and claimed that she was discriminated against. Faced with that stubborn attitude, the police decided to apply strong measures and take her away. The woman was charged with disturbing public order, trespassing, being drunk in public, and obstructing officers on duty. If convicted, she could be fined up to $1,000, face a maximum prison sentence of 12 months, or many years in prison if the act of defiance is serious. In addition to the fine, she may be banned from returning to the scene of the incident and have difficulties with her personal records, affecting her future work and legal rights. These cases are clear evidence of the serious consequences of resisting law enforcement and breaking the law. Both women put themselves in serious trouble instead of cooperating with the authorities. The law does not tolerate disorderly conduct, public intoxication, or obstruction of justice under any circumstances. An altercation unfolded when officers stopped Grayson after her vehicle hit a curb. Upon arrival, they noticed signs of intoxication and began questioning her. How did the situation escalate into an arrest with serious legal consequences?
Well, they hit me right here.
You were leaving KFC?
Yes. Because I was leaving KFC earlier, but they were like, they didn't hit me. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so
I was like, okay, cool.
But I see your marks down there, so you weren't leaving KFC. Do you have anything to drink tonight?
No.
Nothing at all?
No, nothing at all.
Have you used any drugs tonight?
No.
The reason I ask is your speech kind of sounds a little slurred.
I get it.
And you said you're leaving here, but your tire marks show a different thing.
I mean, yeah, but I'm like, I don't care. Like, whatever happens, happens. Like, I don't even care at this point. Like, I'm just trying to get home.
Right, I hear you.
Yeah, you know my dad. Like, I'm just trying to get home at this point.
So where were you coming from again?
I was just coming from this way.
Okay, and you hit the curb?
I didn't hit any curbs, so.
How did that happen?
I don't know. Like, I was just trying to get on that. You know, I'm just trying to park. I'm just trying to go home.
Where were you coming from?
I'm literally just coming from whatever you say. Like.
Not whatever I say. I'm asking you where
you're coming from. I'm not coming from any type of way. I'm just coming from, like, you know, Illinois.
Okay, and where are you going?
I'm just trying to go home.
Where's home?
St. Joe.
Okay. And what's your phone number again? That's your address. What's your phone number? Okay. Then you've had nothing to drink tonight?
I have not.
You've not used any illegal drugs or anything like that? Okay. Do you take any prescription medication?
Nope.
Okay. So we're going to go through a series of testing basically your coordinating and all that stuff, okay?
Can I just go?
Grayson claimed another vehicle hit her, despite evidence showing she hit the curb. Though she denied consuming alcohol, her slurred speech and erratic behavior raised suspicion. How did her defiance affect the officer's decision to arrest her?
Is it fair to say that you know your ABCs?
I mean, 12 to ABC is kind of hard.
Not counting. Do you know your ABC?
Yes.
Okay. I need you to start at the letter E.
A, B, C,
Ma'am,
D.
focus and listen. Start at the letter E as in Edward to the letter T as in Tom, without singing, okay?
Okay, well, I'm obviously special education. My mom, it's kind of hard.
Okay. I need you to start at the letter E and go to the letter T.
It's very hard because like I said, I'm special education.
Do you know your numbers 1 to 100?
I do.
Okay. For this, we're going to be counting backwards from the number 67 to the number 42 in reverse.
Hard. Well, I can't do that. I'm going to tell you straight up. You can text my dad because...
Your dad has nothing to do with this.
Okay, well, I mean, it's whatever now. I mean, you just can't even see anyway. It's like you...
Well, we're...
Grayson, you got to listen to us, okay? Right now.
I need you to place your hands behind your back, okay?
Okay. Oh my god.
Alright, ma'am, do you have anything that's going to poke or sick or alter your answer?
Why are you even talking to me?
Step in the car, please.
Help me, please.
Relax. We got to go to the hospital because you were in a car accident.
Please. I wasn't in a car accident.
You hit something, okay?
Well, brothers hit me.
All right.
They hit me.
Officers instructed Grayson to perform field sobriety tests, but she resisted, struggled to follow instructions, and became combative, claiming she couldn't complete the tasks due to her educational background. Despite warnings, she refused to comply, invoking her father's role as a police officer, heightening concerns about her impairment.
Here's the deal. Grayson, shut up and listen to me.
What's up?
Okay?
What's
Here's
up?
the deal. We were originally planning to not take you to jail. If you're going to keep running your mouth and you're going to keep causing problems, your ass is going to go to jail. Do you understand? Right now, we're trying to decide with hospital staff how to proceed with this. Okay?
How's it going to work, Mom? My father doesn't go to jail, but I go to jail.
This has nothing to do with your father, okay?
Well,
this has
it
everything
seems like
with
it
you.
does.
Because you guys both are in trouble for the same thing does not mean it has anything to do with this, okay? Here's the deal. Officer Rich is asking you if you would like to give a blood and urine sample. You have to answer that question.
Well, is he gonna answer treatment? Don't fucking touch me! I don't know what you're doing. Anything right?
Get out.
Don't touch me!
It's time to go.
You're not gonna get in there. Right to
Get
touch
out.
Me. What the?
Get out.
Stop.
Out of the hospital. Let's go.
On the ground, Mom.
I'm not gonna get in place like that.
Stop! Grayson, stop! Stop!
Rayson refused to undergo a required blood test to confirm her intoxication, citing her father's law enforcement background as justification. Officers warned her that refusal would lead to legal penalties, including license suspension. As her verbal hostility escalated and she continued to challenge their authority.
Do you know what kind of alcohol that was spiked with?
Apple cider and champagne, maybe?
Oh, okay. How much do you think you've had to drink tonight or today?
Like 2 drinks.
2 drinks? Okay. I do think you've had a little bit too much. Okay, so turn around for me. Yes, put your hands behind your back. And you're going to be under arrest for DUI, okay?
A recent incident in Champaign, Illinois, saw a woman, Lindsay Green, arrested for driving under the influence, DUI, with her 8-year-old son in the car. The body cam footage from the encounter highlights not only her impaired driving, but also her refusal to cooperate with law enforcement.
You're not maintaining your lane properly. You're kind of in and out of your lane while I was behind you there. And a couple other people have also called on you saying that you were exhibiting some poor driving behavior. Do you know anything about that, or? Okay. Where are you coming from tonight? Or today, sorry. Just dropped off your kids?
The sequence of events began when the university police stopped Lindsay Green for failing to maintain her lane. The officer had received multiple reports from witnesses about erratic driving.
You got one in the back seat there still? All right. How old is he? 8. Okay. Do you have a driver's license and insurance? Do me a favor. Step out of the car for me. I want to talk to you back here about something. Okay, let me have you step right back here for me. All right. Have you had any alcohol at all today?
Like earlier, yeah.
How earlier? 10 o'clock? Okay. What time do you think it is now?
Around like noon.
Around noon? Okay. How much alcohol did you have at around 10?
I don't know.
1 drink, 2 drinks, 3 drinks?
I don't know.
Okay. What kind of alcohol did you have?
When questioned, Green admitted to consuming alcohol earlier in the day, including cider with champagne. Despite her apparent impairment, she was asked to perform field sobriety tests, which she struggled with due to old knee injuries.
Cider.
Cider? Okay. Do you know what kind of alcohol that was spiked with?
Like apple cider and champagne, maybe?
Oh, okay. What I want you to do is just imagine a straight line directly in front of you, okay? I want you to put your left foot on that line just like this. And I want you to put your right foot in front of it with your heel touching your toe, just like that. Put your hands at your sides. Make sure your heel's touching your toe. There you go. Stay just... Can you do it?
Yep.
Okay. Left foot on the line, right foot in front of it with your heel touching your toe. Stay just like that until I tell you to begin. Do you understand? Okay. Let me get back in the stance. Make sure your heel's touching your toe. There you go. Okay. Whoop. You think you can do it? Do you have any injuries to your legs, feet, or hips?
My knees.
Oh, what's wrong with your knees?
I just have like a soccer injury.
Okay, how long ago was that injury?
Like 20 years.
20 years? Are you still seeing a doctor for that injury?
No.
You take any kind of medications for that?
Upon being informed that her son would be taken from the vehicle and handed over to a responsible party, Green became visibly upset. She insisted that her child should not be allowed to go with his father, expressing that she feared for the child's safety. She described her ex-husband as a monster, implying that he might harm their son, though she offered no further details on the situation.
Okay, you can stop. How much do you think you've had to drink tonight or today?
Like 2 drinks.
2 drinks? Okay. I do think you've had a little bit too much. Okay, so turn around for me. Yes, put your hands behind your back. And you're going to be under arrest for DUI, okay?
What's going to happen to my son?
Your car?
No, my son.
Oh, your son?
Yeah.
We're going to have somebody come pick up your son, I think. Oh, yeah, please. Thank you.
Where's my name?
There's some other officers who are going to take care of your child.
Okay, they'll make sure he's gonna be safe.
I don't care what happens to me. Please.
Hey Drew, would you mind taking her out of handcuffs and...
Despite her emotional distress, the police reassured her that they would ensure her child was safe and would be placed with his father. This emotional plea from a mother facing arrest and separation from her child highlights the severe psychological impact such situations can have, particularly when the child's well-being is in question.
Where do you work at? Okay, that's fine. That's just for the report. Okay. Do you have a telephone number?
No.
You don't have a telephone number?
No.
Do you have a cell phone? Do you know what your telephone number is?
I do.
Okay. I need that information for the report only. It's not something that, I'm not going to do anything with the telephone number. I'm just going to put it to the report, okay?
Well, I don't know what the report is for.
So the report is for being arrested for DUI.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's all the report's for. So it's not anything different. This is something I have to ask everybody that I arrest, okay?
Why is that so?
You know what? I'll try to find out for you, okay? I don't know. I wasn't on scene anymore, but I'll try to find out. You said that your son would be hurt if you went to his dad. Do you want to say anything else about that? Or
What
just,
do you want
just if you think he's going to be hurt, I'd like to know some details about that.
to know?
He's a monster. Okay.
After being taken to the station, Green refused to submit to a breathalyzer test, a legal requirement in Illinois. Officers attempted to convince her to comply, but she steadfastly denied. This refusal led to additional complications, as Green's actions were legally questionable.
Stand up for me. Okay.
No. Tell me what you're going to do.
I'm going to have you stand up for me, okay?
And what's that?
I'm going to have you wrap your lips around this and create a seal, okay? And blow long and hard until I tell you to stop.
I'm not going to do that.
Okay. Is there a reason why you're not going to do that?
Because there's...
So, in the state of Illinois, it's given that you submit to this test. So, if you could, just go ahead and stand on up for me. I'm going to have you wrap your lips around this and create a seal, and then go give me a long, steady breath, okay?
No, thank you.
Okay, so you're going to refuse this test?
Yes.
Okay. Could I take you to the hospital and get your blood and urine from you?
No.
Okay, is there a reason you say no to that?
Lindsey Green violated two key Illinois statutes during this incident under Chapter 612 and 25, LCS 5/11 501 DUI laws. She was charged with DUI for operating a vehicle while impaired, which can result in fines, mandatory alcohol education, and a temporary license suspension for a first offense. However, because she had a child passenger, she faces an aggravated DUI charge, which carries more severe penalties, including 1 to 7 years in prison, depending on prior offenses and any harm caused. Additionally, under Chapter 625 LCS 5/11 501.2 implied consent law, Green's refusal to take a breathalyzer test resulted in an automatic 1-year license suspension and can be used against her in court to strengthen the DUI case. In this case, the critical role of adhering to traffic laws and personal responsibility in safeguarding public safety is clearly demonstrated. It underscores the need for heightened awareness and education around substance abuse as part of our collective effort to create a safer community.
Are you going to get out of the car? Yes or no? Okay.
Oh, what the f***?
You're going to listen.
Get in there!
That's enough.
Stop!
That's enough. Now knock it off. I'm not going to tell you again. You're going to knock it off. You're not going to come out here and kick one of my deputies. Are you going to stop? Or are you going to stop?
In a recent incident on September 5, 2023, law enforcement faced an unusual and intense situation involving a woman allegedly driving under the influence with a baby on board. This event, reported by a concerned driver, led to the arrest of a woman whose actions not only endangered others on the road, but also displayed an alarming level of disregard for the law.
It was a black SUV with that license plate number. So the vehicle was, she's pressing me to help. The vehicle was parked right here. So I parked down there by the Key Energy to try to see the vehicle pull out so I can get observations of the vehicle because we had a caller that didn't want contact. So at that time, somebody said that it may be a conflict for us. And then at that time, my mod pulled up next to her.
Law enforcement received an urgent call from a concerned driver reporting that a woman was driving erratically, weaving between lanes and nearly colliding with another vehicle on the road. Responding promptly, officers were able to locate her car shortly after the call, acting quickly to assess the situation and secure public safety.
She took off driving, went southbound, and then kind of hit the curb real hard, almost hit in that fence. And then a mod blocked her in, and then that's when I pulled up next to her.
18 run away.
Get this motherfucker out of my car.
Upon their initial approach to engage with the woman, officers were met with resistance as she appeared to be under the influence of alcohol and refused to follow any of their commands. The woman reportedly believed that her relationship with a sergeant would shield her from legal consequences, displaying a concerning disregard for the officer's authority and the gravity of the situation.
One step out. Dispatch, can we get an ETA on county? That's right, step out of the car. Almost struck the fence. That's right, step out of the car. Well, my name's Officer Solomon with the House Police Department, okay? The reason I'm making contact with you is because we got a call in that you're intoxicated driving, okay? Obviously, when I saw you, you just drove onto a curb and almost struck the fence, okay? So I'm gonna need you to step out. Did you take the keys out? You can stay in the car, just give me your key fob. Where's the key fob, girl? Do you have it on you? There it is.
Oh my, really?
You're not getting any because who you know, it don't matter, okay? You know it's against the law to be driving under the influence.
The situation escalated as the woman, rather than complying, attempted to drive away from the scene. In doing so, she narrowly missed hitting a nearby fence. However, officers acted swiftly, positioning their vehicles to block her path and securing her car to prevent any further movement, effectively containing the situation before it could endanger others.
You do know that, right? So I don't know why you think you're above the law because who you're dating. You're gonna get out of the car, I'm gonna have to pull you out. Okay, we're not playing a game like you did with the other officers. Are you gonna get out of the car?
What game are you playing?
I'm not playing any game with you. Are you gonna get out of the car? Yes or no?
No.
Okay.
One out on the ground.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Oh, what the f***?
You're gonna listen. You don't get any favors because who you're dating. You understand that? Don't resist.
Oleg, stop. I can call all your shit.
Stop.
No.
Yeah, stop. You already messed up. Stop, man.
We're 15 one time.
You're not wrong.
Stop.
You're wrong. Stop. You did this. That's on you. That is not on those officers.
Coming from 1300 block of Northwest.
You're in cuffs. I don't know why you're doing that. You're all right.
I'm sorry.
I mean, I don't know her issue.
I'm so embarrassed. I tried.
Was the child inside the car? You grabbed the car. You grabbed the kid?
Yeah, I watched him get the kid out of the car. Yeah, I did. Because I was pulling
Okay, get the child's information?
Yeah.
Are you, I guess your mom?
Grandma.
Grandma?
I had no clue. I saw it on the way and I called Sergeant.
No, he was doing it what he was supposed to do.
I know.
She started rolling and I didn't want her to.
No, I know. I called Sergeant on the way over here because I saw the return.
I got way too much of my.
Daz, relax. Come on.
Hey, I got no part of none of this. Okay?
Officers learned the driver is the girlfriend of a sergeant, causing a conflict of interest. Officers handed the investigation to the sheriff's office.
Because last time we got an internal altercation with her, she refused to get out of the car for like 30 minutes.
Recognizing the presence of an infant in the car, officers prioritized the safety of the child amidst the chaos. They acted quickly to remove the baby from the vehicle and handed the child over to the woman's mother, who was present on site, ensuring the infant's safety as tensions continued to escalate.
Monterey told me he supported you. Hey, no. Yeah, he told me. What? I don't know why he would say that. Go ahead and get him. He said he you. Hey, as a subordinate. Okay, let's go. Go ahead and get him. No. Get him. Don't hey, go ahead and get him. Get him. No. Ahmad said he you as your subordinate. He told me. Right now. Go ahead and get him. No, Jasmine. He told me he you. Get up.
Get up or you're going to go.
Get up.
You're going to catch more charges. Get up.
No, I don't give a fuck.
Get up.
You know what? Get up.
Get in there.
Watch your step. Just watch your step.
Get in there.
I'm asking you to get in there, please. All right. All right. Watch your step. Helps me as my case against y'all. Ready? He told me he. Hey, get up. Jasmine. Hey, get up. No, he told me. Get up. Get in there. He told. Get up. I will. You will not.
He in there.
That's enough.
Stop.
That's enough. Now knock it off. I'm not going to tell you again. You're going to knock it off. You're not going to come out here and kick one of my deputies.
Thank you.
Are you going to stop? Are you going to stop?
Thank you for the evidence.
Are you going to now stop? Get up.
No, thank you.
Sit up.
Sit up. No, thank you for the evidence. No, don't you
Get up. Get up.
Is your name Evan? She was kicking. I can't wait.
We're charging for battery also.
Oh, okay.
So you had both. I have my granddaughter and my husband picked up my grandson from.
Okay. Okay.
He was through at 7.
Okay.
Despite repeated commands from officers, the woman persistently resisted arrest, allegedly scratching one of the officers during the confrontation and attempting to kick other deputies present. Her aggressive and non-compliant behavior further complicated the efforts to bring her under control and added to the charges she would later face.
I'm not doing anything.
So we're going in.
It's a conflict.
So first of all, look, we're not going to argue. We can put you back in the unit and take you right to jail.
So we're the ones. She's just getting the door for us. She's just getting the door for us. We're just going there. We're going to do the test.
He's doing everything.
So I'm going to run the test, Desiree. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go. She's holding the door for us.
Go ahead.
She's holding the door.
I'm not going to be in there.
You're just holding the door for us, so we can go inside.
I can't do both. I can't.
It's a conflict.
Well, she's not here, so it's not a conflict.
Well, she opened the door since she was here.
We can't do that.
If I don't pass this,
You said you were going to take the test. Right now we're here. Now it's time to take the test, okay?
I'm telling you, if I
Desiree.
fail, I will not have my
Okay,
kids.
if the machine tones out, we're going to take it as a refusal, and we're just going to take you right over to the jail. Big blow. Breathe in real big. Keep going.
Please, Victor.
We still need this second test before we can figure everything out. So in a second, you're going to do the same thing you did already. Same thing. Well, we have to.
I want to go home.
So Desiree, we're going to go now.
If we go home, I'm going to press charges on you.
Okay, that's fine.
Especially because I have evidence.
Okay, that's fine.
Well, we have to take you to the jail.
No.
Okay, Desiree, so...
During further processing, officers administered a breathalyzer test, which revealed the woman's blood alcohol concentration, BAC, to be a staggering 0.36, indicating she was 4.5 times over the legal limit. Even after this, she continued to resist, refusing to take additional sobriety tests, and repeatedly demanded that officers allow her to return home, showing a complete lack of acknowledgement of the severity of her condition and the legal implications of her actions. The suspect now faces a range of serious charges under New Mexico law due to her actions. Key charges include aggravated driving while intoxicated, DWI, as her blood alcohol concentration, SPB, was 0.36, significantly above the legal limit of 0.08. In New Mexico, aggravated DWI is a severe offense, often resulting in heightened penalties, including extended jail time, substantial fines, and mandatory enrollment in alcohol treatment programs. She also faces a child abuse charge for endangering the infant's welfare by driving under the influence, a charge taken particularly seriously in New Mexico due to the risk it poses to vulnerable individuals. Further, the suspect is charged with battery on a peace officer, with multiple counts stemming from her physical resistance and aggression toward officers during her arrest. In New Mexico, battery on a peace officer is classified as a fourth-degree felony under state law, carrying the potential for significant jail time and additional fines. Reckless driving is another charge, reflecting her erratic and dangerous driving, which endangered others on the road. Other charges include possessing an open container of alcohol in the vehicle and failing to comply with police commands, both of which violate New Mexico traffic and safety regulations. These combined charges highlight the gravity of her actions and emphasize the extensive legal consequences she now faces under New Mexico law. In this case, the critical role of adhering to traffic laws and personal responsibility in safeguarding public safety is clearly demonstrated. It underscores the need for heightened awareness and education around substance abuse as part of our collective effort to create a safer community.
Give me any drink tonight? Any alcohol?
I mean, like hours ago.
Hours ago?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to? Are you comfortable in those shoes? If I had to do another test?
Yeah,
Okay. All right. I just use it. We're going to use this line on the floor.
And it misaligned my eyes.
Okay. So do you
I have to wear
do you have a certain something with your eyes?
I got 4.
Do me a favor. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Okay?
What? No.
No. We're not going to.
17, July 2023, police arrested a woman outside a Target store for suspected drunk driving. The footage reveals a detailed sequence of events leading to her arrest, showcasing both the woman's reactions and the steps taken by the officers during the incident.
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania?
Bethlehem. Yeah.
What are you doing out there? Anything good?
Concert.
Concert?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah. I was just on my way home.
Okay. All right. Just so you don't have a body cam, okay?
Yeah. That's
okay.
Fine.
Where'd you come from by chance? Did you drive? Which way did you come in though? All right. So someone called and they said that you're driving. That you hit a curb and you were driving in here. That's why we're here.
The police questioned the woman about her driving, including hitting a curb and driving erratically. The woman mentioned she came from a concert and denies awareness of hitting a curb.
All over the place, so that's why I wanted to make sure everything was all right. And that's why I just was curious.
No, it's possible because of the flat tire, but...
Do you have anything to drink tonight? Any alcohol?
I mean, like hours ago.
Hours ago?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
I've never changed a flat tire before.
Yeah, I hear you. You want a tow truck?
All right. I just change this out. It should be
okay.
fine.
All right. Why don't you leave that for a second? I just want to step over here. I just want to make sure you're okay to drive. That's all. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. You said you drank a while ago. You said.
Yeah. Probably about 4 hours ago.
4 hours ago.
Yeah.
Okay. And the concert was in Bethlehem.
Bethlehem.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what time was your last drink? Like. I'm just gonna test your eyes, make sure you're okay.
Yeah.
Just because we're here now, okay?
Okay.
Just do me a favor, just stand with your feet together and your arms to your side like this, okay?
The officer asks about her alcohol consumption, and she admits to drinking about 4 hours ago. She has a flat tire and mentions changing it herself.
I have contacts and I also have, I had a head injury.
Okay. So if I put something in front of your face, you'd be able to...
I have special glasses to wear.
Okay. So if I put something right in front of your face, you'd be able to see it, though?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you see the tip of my pen?
Yep.
Okay. I want you to follow my pen. Don't move your head at all. Just follow with your eyes. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay. I'm just going to go up, okay?
Hmm?
Do you want to? Are you comfortable in those shoes? If I had to do another test?
Yeah,
okay. All right. I just use it. We're going to use this line on the floor. You can stand right here and face me. All right. I don't want you to do anything until I tell you to begin. Okay. I'm just going to go up. Okay.
Hmm?
The officer conducts sobriety tests, including an eye test and walking heel to Tui. The woman explains her eyesight issues due to a prior head injury.
When I tell you to begin, I don't want you to start till I tell you to begin. Same thing. When I tell you to, either lift your right or your left leg, whatever you prefer, whatever you're comfortable with, approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's going to look like this. I'll tell you to stop. Okay. I want you to keep that foot parallel to the ground and keep both legs straight the entire time. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Sorry.
No, you're good. I'll guess you again. You had a little bit more than just a few drinks. I could tell based off your eyes and your tests. So.
With my contacts.
Okay.
I have special glasses I'm supposed to wear because my vision. I had a head injury. That's what this was.
What kind of head injury?
I got misaligned my eyes.
Okay, so do you
have to wear
have a certain something with your eyes?
It's just a misalignment with my eyes, but it causes the eyes.
Do you have something? Do you ever call nystagmus? Is that something you were ever told that you have? So, like I said, someone was behind you and they saw you driving all over the road and hit a curb. So that's why we're here.
The woman struggles with the sobriety test, stating her head injury and eye misalignment are affecting her performance. The officer indicates she appears more intoxicated than she admitted.
I got 4.
Do me a favor, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Under arrest for DWI, okay?
What? No.
No, we're not gonna do that. I'm gonna explain everything to you, okay? Relax, okay?
I'm calm. No,
Okay.
I need to know why.
So I'm gonna explain
No,
it to you,
I need to know
okay?
why.
Let me. Okay. Let me tighten you so they don't get tighter on your wrist, okay? No, I know, but I'm gonna explain everything to you, okay? And you were all over the road,
But I
and you
wasn't.
hear me out. Let me explain myself, okay? And that's why you have the flat tire, okay? Your eyes are horrible. Okay, glasses have nothing to do
Yes,
with it.
they
okay?
do, though.
Okay, I'm telling
No,
you right now.
no,
they
no,
have
no.
nothing to do with it.
Can I please tell you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Can I please put my glasses on?
Okay.
I promise
Your
you.
glasses have nothing to do with nystagmus. Okay, nystagmus is the involuntary movement of the eyes
Yeah,
when you're
yeah,
intoxicated.
no, I
okay?
know.
And I smell the alcohol.
That's fine.
All right, I'm just letting you know why we're here. I'm not making
Well,
this stuff
I'm gonna
up.
lose
Okay.
my child, so. No, I'm gonna lose
in
my
New
kid.
Jersey. Listen,
It's good. It's
listen,
fine. It's fine.
Listen.
I need
let me
to tell
talk.
my grandpa.
Let me talk. In New Jersey.
After more questioning, the woman becomes emotional, mentioning her fear of losing her job, child, and other personal losses. The officer attempts to calm her and explains that she's being arrested for DUI.
DWI is not a criminal offense. Listen, no, you're not. It's not a criminal offense. And you're going to get released tonight. You're going to get released in an hour. Yes, you are. I'm telling you the truth.
And then
It's not a criminal offense.
it doesn't matter.
I don't tell anybody. Nothing. You're told. You get a criminal. There's nothing that says that we're going to go and tell what's going on here. It's not like you get arrested for shoplifting or anything like that. It's a ticket. It's a traffic ticket. Okay, that's how it is in New Jersey. So does Officer Dosberg. Okay, I have to. I'm walking to the car. I can't let you walk without me holding you. No, I can't uncuff you.
Do I have to call someone?
The officers handcuff her and explain the legal process, reassuring her that it is a non-criminal traffic offense, DWI in New Jersey, and she will be released after completing paperwork and a breath test.
All right. Do you have anything on you? Because you're female. I'm not going to search you. Do you have anything on you that's going to hurt me? Do you have anything that's going to poke me, stick me, nothing like that?
I don't.
Okay. Do you have a phone on you in your back pocket? Okay. I'm going to hold it for you so you don't lose it. All right. And I want you to sit on it. It's coming with us. It's coming with us. You got to take a deep breath, or else I'm going to call an ambulance because you're hyperventilating. Okay. Take a deep breath.
I have anxiety. Please don't do this.
Okay. Take a deep breath. You're going to call someone as soon as we get back. Okay. Take a seat, okay? Take a deep breath and take a
What are you
seat.
guys gonna do?
We're going back to headquarters.
I just need to know.
You're coming back to headquarters. I'm going to give you the option to blow on the alcohol test machine.
I'll just
You're going to get no. I don't want you to say anything. I just want you to listen, okay? I just want you to listen. You're going to go back. He's going to come pick you up. That's it. I promise you. That's it. I'm not lying to you, okay? Everything's recorded. Everything's okay. Take a deep breath. Relax. I'm telling you. Everything's on body cam. Take a seat, okay? I'm going to leave the window open.
I don't want to be in here.
I understand. Slide over.
The woman remains anxious about the arrest's consequences and talks about her child and job. The officers explain the impound process for her car and tell her she can pick it up after her release. Danielle violated New Jersey's Title 39-450 law, which pertains to operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol. According to this statute, a driver can be charged with a DWI if their blood alcohol concentration, BAC, exceeds 0.08% or if they display signs of impairment, as determined by a police officer during sobriety tests. The penalties for a first-time DWI offense in New Jersey include fines between $250, 0 cents and $400, 0 cents mandatory participation in an intoxicated driver resource center program, and a license suspension ranging from 3 to 12 months. Repeat offenses can result in harsher consequences, including imprisonment. In Danielle's case, the officers followed standard legal protocol by administering field sobriety tests, offering her a breathalyzer test, and subsequently arresting her for driving under the influence. Her refusal to submit to a breath test, had it occurred, would have resulted in an additional charge under 39-450.2, which deals with refusal to take a breathalyzer. This could have led to further fines and an extended license suspension. In this case, the critical role of adhering to traffic laws and personal responsibility in safeguarding public safety is clearly demonstrated. It underscores the need for heightened awareness and education around substance abuse as part of our collective effort to create a safer community. A road rage incident that seemed to involve only yelling and hostile looks until a woman used a weapon that immediately changed everything.
Is that and all over my glasses, burning my face, my mouth.
Hold on. Did it come out of a bottle or
squirt gun? It looked
a
like
squirt gun? Okay. Were they like dressed up and?
She was wearing weird clothes.
Like a Halloween costume.
Yeah, I don't know if anybody else was with her. I only saw her, but she was apparently following and screaming at my friend. So she said,
You think
"Hey,
she knows them?"
No, with my friend. She said, "Hey, there's somebody screaming and they're pointing a gun at me. I'll be there in a minute." I said, "I'll be out front."
Okay.
So I was standing on the porch, staying out of it. My friend pulled up. The lady came down the street, yelled, "You!" and then turned around and came back. When she stopped here and kept screaming at her.
Okay.
So my friend was filming it. So I walked over calmly, and I said, "Ma'am, you need to relax. Stop screaming at people." I said, "Road rage is a bad idea." She started shooting me in the face with a squirt gun. I flicked a cigarette at her and ran. Well, I didn't run. I ran around back and called 911 and gave the plate number.
So also with your
All
neighbor.
this.
I understand, but did the suspect also shoot your neighbor?
No, my friend. She went up to try to film it. She started shooting at her. Her face was burning. I'm lucky I had the glasses, but now they're probably ruined and I need them.
So he sprayed her or you first?
It was her.
Okay. So she was out here.
My friend came here.
Right.
Got out of her car with her dog and was walking towards there. This lady pulled in. Well, she went by her because I saw it. She said it was. I said the white SUV. She said yeah. A minute later, she pulled in down the road, yelling out her. And then she turned around and came back and stopped. And she didn't have the window. She kept giving the finger and pointing. Then she put the window down and started screaming. So that's when I came out of the porch. I literally calmly walked up to her. I said, "Ma'am, you need to stop screaming. You need to just move along." Yeah, not you. I said, "Ma'am, road rage is a bad idea." And she started squirting it into my face. I was probably this far from the window, so I just squirting it. I went, flicked my cigarette and took off behind the car and called 911.
Okay. And then they already had the vehicle pulled over?
If you knew how she was dressed, I assumed you did.
So...
I want to press charges of whatever the charge is of shooting me in the face with a caustic acid.
Yeah.
The victim's friend presented a different account. They were chased, threatened, and even forced off the road, and everything was recorded on video, making it undeniable.
My house, traffic's already bad. I mean, the traffic's been bad today. Just, I don't know, she tried cutting me off. Well, she did cut me off, but, she was following me. I have it on recording. She was threatening me. She tried running me off the road. She did, I think, at one point ran me off the road at an intersection at the lights back here. I got to my destination and she drove past, and then she came back and she's trying to threaten to get out, to fight me. So I approached her vehicle and she sprayed something at me with like a squirt gun.
Was she saying anything to you when this happened about why?
She was calling me. She was calling me a meth head. She was threatening to fight me. She wanted to fight me. I mean, it's in the recording and what she was saying. I believe. I hope it is anyway. But yeah. She was threatening to shoot me at one point, and she did. Dozer, come on. I mean, that's really it. It's just road rage.
Okay.
It's just road rage, and she's...
That's all right. Do you wish to add, change, or delete anything from the statement you've just given me?
No, that's the best of my knowledge. That's what happened. I mean, I don't understand why.
Okay.
So it is going to hurt for a little bit, okay? Make sure you're facing the air, okay? Face towards me. You gotta face towards the air because that's what's gonna help open all your pores and try to get everything out faster, okay? Warm.
145, 108.
Dish soap kind of water, like baby soap. A little bit, not a lot, okay? And that will help, okay? Don't just breathe.
Yeah, it's on top of everything else, that's all.
Just breathe, okay? Because it'll make you hyperventilate, it'll make it really bad where you can't feel like you can breathe, depending, okay?
She claimed she only wanted to get information after the collision, but what she pulled out turned the confrontation into something no one expected.
Clipped my car as we were driving. She got into a turn lane to cut me off and clipped the car. So I wanted to pull over and get her information because she wouldn't pull over. So I did. I followed her to where she pulled in and I said, "You clipped my car." I said, "I need your information." And she said to her dog, Dozer, to get up here, did this to my car and had the dog jump up here. And then she was leaning into my car. So I got, her father walked up to my car and said to get the out of here before he takes care of me. And then she started kicking the side of the car.
Okay, do me a favor just for right now. Step out of the vehicle and we'll just have you stand back over on the grass over here, right?
To get his gun. So I pulled out from that area.
So who's this girl? Is it the girl that supposedly sideswiped you?
The girl, she was back here. I felt like she hit the side of the vehicle because she literally got into a turn lane that she should not have been on at all. And she literally swiped me out of the road where I almost hit another car. So I thought she hit the car. I wanted to get her information because I thought we had touched. Because she did. She got so super close. Either my car shook for me having to take my brakes.
So where were you at when she allegedly hit the car? Like, were you driving?
Right by McDonald's. We were coming up in that area, right by the agency.
So on Beach Road?
Mm-hmm. So not Beach Road, but coming from Venice. I'm coming from work.
So coming from Venice down 776? So that's passing Beach Road. That's Beach Road right there.
Passing Beach Road.
Okay.
I wasn't on Beach Road.
Okay. And you felt,
I thought that she hit the car, so I wanted to get information because I wasn't going to just let her get away with it if she did. This is my mom's car. My car's getting the brakes work done, so my mom let me use her car to take it to work today.
Okay. What's going on with your hand? You need EMS?
That's me. No, that's just me. When I was telling her that she needed to pull over, I hit it on the side of my car by the window. Because I popped my hand back in because I told her to pull over because I thought she hit the car, that we had bumped a little because she literally came over.
So you followed her, so you saw
information to get her information, and as soon as I did, she walked up to my passenger side because I had the passenger window rolled down. She said, "Dozer, get in here, Dozer, attack." So I grabbed my pepper spray, and then she leaned into my window telling the dog to attack. To get into my...
When the statements matched the evidence and witnesses, the police no longer hesitated and ended things for the troublemaker with a cold pair of handcuffs.
On the car, I wanted to get her...
And you followed her, she turned right into...
And turned right into the driveway, yes.
Okay, so
and
she leaned in? She leaned in?
She did, she leaned in all the way from chest, like her boobs were in my car.
Okay.
Like it was under, the window seal was under.
So, fair to say that the entire top half of her torso was in the car? Okay.
Yes.
All right. So what happened?
From here up was all inside my passenger side.
Okay.
And as she did that, she got out from that vehicle. She was doing this like, and that's when her dad was right here at my car because she was right here and her dad was right here and he went like this to start yelling at me as well.
Okay. Okay.
And from that incident with doing that, then her dad, he ran off back to the side and started taking pictures and doing all of that. She continued to tell the dog to attack me, and then that's when I drove off. Her dad, I could also hear him saying that he was going to go ahead and take care of this, and he'd take care of me. So with those types of forms of words being said, I drove off.
So he said that after they both have been Narcan?
Yes.
Okay, so he said that after both have been Narcan, and you were already on your, making an attempt to drive away.
To make a attempt to drive away.
Okay. So you sprayed her, and she was kind of kicking the door. That's when it was at that point. At that point,
it started getting worse and burning, and then that's when she actually turned and went like this. And when she did that, that's when I took my chance to leave.
Like I said, nothing else you want to add, change, or delete from the statement. Is there anything that we talked about prior to the sworn statement that we have not talked about on the sworn statement that we want to talk about?
No, we talked about everything that was discussed.
Talked about everything, so there's nothing else that's pertinent to this incident or anything? Everything in detail has been discussed?
Everything in detail has been discussed.
All right. So we're going to put your hands behind your back. You're going to be under arrest for battery times 2. All right? Put your hands together like you're praying, all right? Palms together. Palms together. Nope. There you go. Perfect.
She was charged with assault and traffic violations. Next, a traffic stop that seemed routine, but when officers mentioned an arrest warrant, her attitude instantly changed, and everything went downhill fast.
Doing, miss? Are you Carissa? You got a warrant. You got two, actually. Yeah. Yep. So can you hop off for me? I don't know. Did you miss traffic or something? Miss court date? Yep. Here, can you hop out?
706K.
Here, open your window. Open it. I'm going to break your window.
When the officers opened the door, the conversation turned into a brawl. And with one poorly timed swing, the situation jumped to a level no one wanted.
It's in my car. I can't get it talk.
Sure. Hop out.
Stop.
Hop
Don't
out.
touch me.
Hop out. Hop out.
Dude, no. What are you
Hop out.
doing?
Come on.
Stop.
Hop out. Get out.
Why,
Get
bro?
out.
Let go of me. What the f***?
I'm 10-4. Can you roll me a second? I'm going to have to team 195. Get out.
Dude, let go of me, dude.
Out of the car.
Let go of me, you Are you kidding me?
Out of the car.
Are you kidding me?
Get out of the
Dude!
Get out of the car now.
Are you? Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my fucking dude! You're hurting my arm!
Quit resisting!
I'm not.
You're under arrest. Quit resisting.
You!
By the time she was handcuffed, she was begging, arguing, and denying everything. But the camera told a completely different story, and it wasn't on her side.
Bro, my glasses are gonna break.
Oh,
idiot!
oh, get out! God damn, you just got like
No, what the f***
4 or 5 felony charges.
Stop! I don't know about it!
Well, you do. I'm telling you now.
Don't touch me!
You got room for her in your car for 2 seconds? I don't have age.
Don't touch me! Stop.
Me either. Stop.
No!
Stop.
I can't.
You're oh, we have them.
No,
Stop.
my phone!
Stop.
I need to call someone for my shit.
Yeah, I'm good. I got a second car with me. She's in cuffs.
No, why? Like, what the f***?
Well, you can worry about that later.
No, dude, what the f***? Get my glasses!
I will get that.
Dude, what the f***? You guys really, like...
That's crazy. You went from a traffic warrant to now you're getting aggravated
I didn't
battery
do
to a PO.
anything.
Yeah, you did. You punched me.
I didn't punch you,
The
dude.
best part about me having a body camera is it's going to see
Why are
everything.
you even doing that to me?
Because you're under arrest.
Call someone.
You're under arrest.
I didn't know.
You did know, because I told you you're under arrest.
Just stop. I didn't. Please don't do that to me.
No, you are.
56, 40.
Dude, I didn't punch you.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Where?
Right in the chest.
Key minutes at 911, guys. Verify the
Well, you ain't getting them now.
What? Can you stop talking shit? You're a f***ing bitch.
See ya.
You're a young little bitch.
In jail.
I didn't.
In the end, from a simple traffic warrant, she managed to upgrade everything into a series of serious charges, and the only road ahead led to jail and the prosecutor.
I didn't hate you.
Yeah, you did.
What's your name?
Come on.
What's his name?
It'll be on your felony arrest report.
Felony?
Yeah.
Stop.
Sit down.
Stop. You cannot. Please.
Absolutely.
No.
You're probably going to catch like 2 or 3 of them.
Stop. Please, don't do that to me. Please, please. I have kids and I didn't hate you. Please. Please.
Appreciate it, dude. I reached in and the fight was on. Throwing punches and everything else. So. Misdemeanor fucking traffic. Bullshit. Yeah. She's under arrest, so I'm just going to run him anyways.
Yeah, I'm good. I'll stay and help you with what you need.
Yeah, no problem. Sits. Sits. I know.
In Illinois, the lowest level of assault on a police officer is classified as a Class 2 felony, punishable by 3 to 7 years in prison and fines of up to approximately $25,000. She was charged with aggravated battery to a police officer and resisting arrest. Perhaps the only thing she couldn't fight was the felony printed on paper. Hey everyone, what do you think about this situation? In a recent incident in Hoboken, a woman named Lauren was arrested following a series of confrontations with law enforcement.
Charlie
Let go of the back.
Can I get this plate number?
On September 20, 2024, a woman was pulled over by police for a traffic violation. Despite being ordered to exit the vehicle, she resisted by gripping the steering wheel tightly, leading to a physical struggle with officers.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off. Officer. Don't pull. What are you doing?
Why did you just hit me?
Get off the car.
Wait, why did you just hit me?
Get out the car.
Why did you just hit me?
Give me a hand. Get out the car. You're making this worse than what it is. Get out the car. Man, if you don't get out the car, I'm telling you, tell your girl to stop because it's gonna be bad.
Stop.
Get out the car. I'm telling you, you're making this worse than what it is. I'm telling you right now.
After multiple warnings, the woman still refused to comply, forcing the police to use force to remove her from the car. She was subsequently arrested for obstruction and resisting arrest.
I'm telling you, it's going to end bad for you, bro. Get your hand off the car. Get your hand off the. You're gonna get ripped out of the. I'm telling you, you're gonna get ripped out of the car, man. You're not. You don't got it. You're gonna get ripped out of the car. I'm telling you right now. Get out of the car. I'm telling you, ma'am. I'm telling you right now. If you don't get out of the car, it's gonna be. Get out of here, bro. Back up. It's gonna be a problem. You understand me? Yo, Patel, put him on that side. She's not trying to get out of the car. I'm pulling her out of the car. I'm telling her. I'm asking her more than once, like, get out.
What is she doing?
She's not listening. She's over here trying to get gas. I'm like, okay. Saying she goes off behind the wheel. I'm trying to ask her a question. She's not listening. She's not listening. I got one arm.
Yo.
Her second arm.
Sorry, a lot of feedback. I heard code Charlie.
Fuck that. Turn over. Code Charlie, 1 to 10.
Put your arm behind your back. Let go of the back. Put your hand behind your back.
Nike, can I get this plate number?
Here you got gloves. Come on. Let's go.
Something's in this bag.
Meanwhile, a male passenger in the vehicle, who appeared to be severely impaired and barely responsive, was also detained for the safety of the officers. Police determined that he required immediate medical attention and arranged for him to be transported to the hospital.
Who is this to you?
You gotta wait, bro.
Hey, will you step out of the car? I don't like the fact that I can't see it. Step out and put your hands up against the car. Put both your hands on the car. Relax. Both your hands on the car. You understand? You're going to be detained right now until we figure out what's going on with her. You're not under arrest, but you're being detained. All right, you're under the influence too. So you need medical attention? You patted him down? You have ID on you? You're clearly under the influence, so you're going to be going to the hospital to get evaluated. You understand?
During the subsequent investigation, officers searched the vehicle and discovered what appeared to be drugs or potential drug paraphernalia inside. This further escalated the charges related to the arrest.
Here, do me a favor. I'm going to keep hands on him. Actually, no. I'll search the car. Yeah, in a second we will. Yep. He's under the influence of something. He hasn't said a word. He's like kind of dozing. So just call a squad for somebody under influence.
The female driver was ultimately charged with driving while intoxicated, DWI, and resisting arrest, while the male passenger was not arrested, but was placed under medical care due to suspected drug impairment.
Is that indicative of intoxication? Yeah, I think she's definitely under there. But she's under arrest for the obstruction already anyway. Yeah. And then that was in plain view. So now we're just searching for other intoxicants. Right. Do we think it's alcohol or do we think it's narcotics? I don't know. I told you that now. Who's got the other female? In the car. In the car? Is she seem like she needs anything? She's not friendly. Roll the window down for you. I went over the door. We can roll down the window. No, that's fine. I don't know. Maybe some rock in there or something? Maybe some crack? Yeah, I don't know.
Was that Ash?
Yeah, maybe Miller's still here?
Sorry, do you want some gloves?
It might just be like, dude, maybe we'll take a little better look at it when we get back to headquarters.
Legally, the driver in this case violated multiple laws, including obstruction of justice, NJSA 2C2991. This law criminalizes any act that interferes with law enforcement in the performance of their duties. Penalties range from fines to imprisonment. Resisting arrest, NJSA 2C29-2, a person who deliberately prevents an officer from making an arrest can be charged with this offense. If force or flight is involved, the charge can escalate to a third-degree crime carrying a prison sentence of up to 5 years. Driving while intoxicated, NJSA 39450. New Jersey law prohibits operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol or drugs. A first-time offense can result in license suspension, fines, and mandatory participation in a substance abuse treatment program. Possession of a controlled dangerous substance, NJSA 2 C35-10. If police confirm the presence of illegal substances in the vehicle, the driver may also face additional drug charges. This case serves as a reminder of the dangers of driving under the influence and the legal obligations individuals have when interacting with law enforcement. Refusing lawful orders can lead to severe consequences, including arrest, court proceedings, and long-term legal repercussions. Next is a humorous situation where a hotel guest in Winder, Georgia found herself in legal trouble after making a misleading 911 call, leading to her arrest for public intoxication, disorderly conduct, and obstruction. On July 13, 2024, at a hotel in Winder, Georgia, a woman called 911 claiming she had been attacked in her hotel room. However, police found no evidence to support her claim. Hotel witnesses stated that she appeared intoxicated, and indeed, she admitted to having consumed 4 margaritas that evening.
Winder police. Hey. Did you call 911?
No, I did not.
Yeah.
No, I called 911 on the person that was like breaking in my place.
Breaking into your place?
Yeah.
Is there anybody here with you?
No, it's just my aunt on the phone.
Can I talk to her?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Evelyn?
Hey, Miss Evelyn, this is Sergeant Yarber. How are you?
Hi.
What, can you tell me what's going on? How much have you had to drink today?
Probably like 4 margaritas.
4 margaritas, where at? Well, that Jose Cuervo's probably got a big role in it.
Well, I haven't drank all that. Well, I was going to get there.
Huh?
I was going to get there, but...
No, I was just looking where anybody could hide to make sure nobody was in here. I got it.
I was trying to open this one.
So what is our plan for tonight? What are we going to do?
I'm just going to bed.
Here's your phone. Are we done calling 911?
Yeah, well, I do. Just stay away from this damn freaking
If I knew who he was, I would.
217.
Huh?
When questioned by police, Ari gave conflicting descriptions of the alleged attacker. Initially, she claimed he was a white male. Later, she changed her statement, describing him as a person of color. Her inability to provide a clear or consistent description quickly raised doubts about her credibility.
You okay today? So give me a rundown of what all happened.
So somebody came into this room.
I'm listening.
I don't want to. So somebody came into this room, and I was like, all right, whatever. You know, I got some tequila.
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight, if you could guess?
Oh, I barely even opened the thing.
You barely even opened it? Okay.
Yeah, it's over there.
All right. And you say you're the only one in here?
Yeah.
Okay. How long you been in this room? Since yesterday?
I don't know. Why am I being investigated?
No, we're asking questions. You called us, right? So we have to do our job and ask questions.
He's the one that came in here.
Okay, give me a description. I'm trying to get a rundown of what all happened.
He was probably like 6 foot, probably like 6'5".
Okay, 6'5".
I can't describe him because, you know, you are the way you are, and I am.
I'm the way I what? I'm not understanding.
I can't describe him.
How can't you describe him? Just describe him.
I can't be like, he's white.
Yes, you can. That's called describing somebody that attacked you.
Okay, well, he was of color. He was a taller dude.
Okay, when you say he was of color, what are you saying? Is he okay? There's race. So is it white, black, Hispanic? Don't touch me, ma'am. Is it white, black, Hispanic?
I'm not.
I'm asking questions.
I don't know if
I don't know.
The dude came into my room and like tried to almost rape me.
Who?
That I can't. I'm not saying it on y'all's body cams.
A person of color is what she told me.
Why won't you say it on the body camera?
I ain't saying. I ain't doing it.
So you went down to the lobby and talked to the clerk down there, and what did you tell the clerk?
I said somebody came to my room, and the same guy that I met in the freaking elevators earlier. I don't know what it was today or I don't know yesterday. I don't know, and he offered me shoes earlier today.
How is he trying to you? What is he doing?
He came in here and tried to.
What did he do? How did he get in the door?
He just opened the door.
The door wasn't locked.
No, the door was locked.
So how did he get in?
No, I did not unlock it at all.
Before calling 911, the woman had already caused a disturbance at the hotel, running to the front desk, yelling and accusing an unknown guest of attacking her.
I can't say anything.
It would help our investigation.
No, I can't, but I can't.
Let me go down and talk to the clerk right quick. So you were here when she came downstairs? What happened?
She didn't come downstairs. She started screaming and yelling from the second floor.
Okay, from the railing?
I was helping that guy that she said he was trying to rape her.
Okay.
I was checking him in.
Mhm.
And she said somebody was trying to rape her. She was screaming and yelling from the second floor. So
She told you a white guy? She told us a black guy.
No, she said
Okay.
a white guy. And the guy that was here is a white guy.
Yeah.
Then I said, let me go upstairs and check. And she said no, and she started running down here. And then she started slamming. She was doing crazy stuff. And
What? She was.
she grabbed the phone. She started slamming the phone over here. She's
around and yelling and cursing.
So she was disrupting your business.
Yes.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, she
Was
was
she
just-
using profanity?
No, she did not use profanity, but she was just screaming and yelling and saying that we didn't care, that we didn't call the cops, and she just grabbed the phone and called you guys.
Okay.
She wasn't going to call.
She threw the phone at me, and
She-
she was smashing it, and she was all over the place.
After multiple 911 calls and continued erratic behavior, police arrested the woman for public intoxication, disorderly conduct, and obstruction.
So, now you just stand up for me. Turn around.
I'm holding.
I got you. I need you. Just stand up. Turn around for me. Turn around for me.
No.
Stop.
They're arresting me.
I'll explain everything to you in just a minute.
Why?
Stop.
Why? Evelyn.
Dispatch, we're 1010.
Stop so I don't break your wrist.
What are you arresting me for? What are you arresting me for?
You got smaller wrists, so you need to be still so it don't get broke.
Yeah, I know. What am I getting arrested for?
Explain everything to you in just a moment, okay?
No, I know. I didn't know right now. Because
You're gonna check and make sure you don't have any weapons on you, any
I ain't got nothing. I ain't got nothing but it's for sure.
26 dispatch, we're 1095.
Evelyn, help me! Call my lawyer!
Alright. Just want to get her some shoes.
Yeah, where your shoes at?
I'll get them. I'll get them.
Alright.
What are you arresting me for?
I'll explain everything to you.
What are you arresting me for?
Put your shoe on.
Oh my God, what are you arresting me for?
Go on, put your shoe on.
What are you arresting me for?
Alright, let's walk.
Public intoxication.
Yeah, like that'll get through the justice system faster than my DUI that has been a year and a half. Why?
Quit hollering.
Why?
Stop. Lower your voice.
But y'all didn't have to do this. Y'all did not have to do this at all.
You're saying you're disturbing everybody.
No.
You are.
No. Y'all couldn't just let me lay down. Like, seriously?
All right.
I don't know how to get in here.
Yep, just take your time.
Honestly, can I just not get like a ticket or something?
Yeah, you're getting tickets. You're getting citations.
I ain't. What?
You are getting citations, but you're still going to jail.
Regardless of the circumstances, law enforcement must take all allegations seriously while ensuring that those who misuse emergency services are held accountable. Cases like this highlight the importance of responsible reporting and the legal consequences of false claims. What do you think about this situation? On a cold January evening, Becky Miranda, a 46-year-old teacher, was arrested for DUI after crossing into oncoming traffic. She became agitated when questioned about intoxication and resisted field sobriety tests. How did someone so trusted end up in such a situation?
Drink.
Wine.
And
had some ribs.
Wine and
It was
ribs?
our good thing.
Okay.
It was our good thing to do that.
Okay.
So I could go back to work at 8 o'clock.
Hey,
in the
is
morning.
Billy and Sarge?
Have to.
I know. Okay, just hang tight. Let me just talk with them quick. How's it going, guys? Glad to see everybody's okay. So, can you explain to me what happened?
Okay. We were in the second lane, next to the turning lane.
Which way you're traveling this way? Okay.
Yes, sir. And she was coming from that direction, and she started turning into here from 2 lanes. She wasn't in the turning lane. She was the other lane. Gradually, from probably that road down there, started coming across, and we did everything we could. I didn't think she was going to keep coming.
She
kept coming, and we couldn't do anything about it.
She passed the turning lane and hit you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, we were here. Is in the second lane. Now these fellas just helped me get the bike out of the middle of the road. We might have even been in this lane over here.
I think we were in this closest
We
line.
may have. I think we were in the
She
right.
started to turn at that street.
Well, somewhere in between here and there.
Okay.
It was a diagonal turn. It wasn't like stopped and turning.
Yeah, it was gradual.
A turn like this right here. So I thought she was just getting into the middle lane, but she kept coming, and I had nowhere to go.
Okay.
I was very frustrated, and I threw my
Understandable.
Okay, because I was scared for her, and it got the best of me. Just for a minute, I got mad and I yelled and I threw my helmet at her car. Okay.
Well, I'm glad
I
to see
shouldn't have done that.
No, it's all right.
I just want to.
I hear
I just want to be upfront.
I'm glad you
with
guys are okay. Seriously.
We sideswiped her.
I'm glad you guys are okay.
I appreciate it.
All right, so listen, man. I'm going to be changing hats from the crash investigation into a DUI investigation, okay? At this point, I have to read you your Miranda rights, okay? Are you ready? All right, hear me out. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law, okay?
Why am I being...
Ma'am, I already told you once. Are you in handcuffs right now?
Becky Miranda was pulled over after crossing the double yellow line, a clear traffic violation. Officer Cordova questioned her about drinking, but Becky denied any wrongdoing. Why did she become so defensive despite the evidence against her?
Now, you just have to know your rights, okay? Ready? Ready? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have explained while you're being questioned.
I got it.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning. My name is Deputy Chandler.
Deputy Chandler.
Okay? You can decide to at any time exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of the rights I've explained to you?
And you are not making them outrageous. Thank you, Deputy Chandler.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So do you understand your rights?
I do.
Good, good. So, having your rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you be willing to voluntarily perform field sobriety exercises due to my belief that you're too impaired to operate a motor vehicle?
No, because I know how the law works on that. So no.
So let me ask you again. Would you be willing to voluntarily perform field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief?
I know how that works. So no.
Listen.
The answer is
Listen.
no.
All right, so listen.
The
These
answer
exercises,
is no.
At this point, we have no probable cause to make an arrest for DUI. These exercises, these voluntary exercises, your opportunity to prove us wrong. You prove us wrong, we don't believe you're under the influence, you're going home. Bye. No, it's not. I had it yesterday.
Happens all the time.
It happens all the time. I believe somebody was impaired. They did the exercises. Okay, so listen, would you be willing to perform a series of voluntary exercises for my partner that would dispel his belief that you are too impaired to operate a motor vehicle?
I'm not operating.
Okay, but you were, okay?
And if we release you...
When asked to step out for a sobriety test, Becky expressed concerns about the embarrassment, mentioning her role as a teacher. Reluctantly, she agreed to the tests, including the heel-to-two walk. Throughout the encounter, Becky insisted she had only consumed 1 glass of wine, though her impairment was clear. How could she downplay her condition despite her visible struggle?
Did you see her inside the car?
Yes.
Two female house not answering words.
When I got here, you didn't even get out of the car.
I just want to fucking go home and
Okay, so then answer his question, a yes or no question.
We've given you multiple chances, okay? So at this point, being arrested for DUI.
How did this happen?
Well, all right, come to my car.
17.
So you know, if you have anything on you right now and you go to jail with it, it's another charge.
Search me.
Blue Mini at the 109, 2250.
Well, but I've never been in this situation.
Watch your foot. Step on out, miss. Thank you for your cooperation. Right this way.
7115, traffic 4106. SML35 on a Jeep 106.
May I use the bathroom?
It is not allowed right now.
It is
Okay.
not allowed right now. Well, should I piss myself?
You should not.
I probably should not do that.
We are-
May I use the bathroom?
We are
You can
adults here.
escort me. Would you like to escort me?
Unfortunately, I can't because I can't go in the bathroom with you. And
Why not? Well, you
I have
can
to keep.
stand
I have to
outside.
keep.
And you've already frisked me. You know I don't have a goddamn thing.
And I'm not
May
worried about
I use the bathroom?
So, would you
as
like me to talk?
A normal person.
Would you like me
May
to
I
explain what's
use-
going on?
Becky's field sobriety test performance raised concerns, leading officers to request a breathalyzer test. She resisted, insisting she was not intoxicated, but her refusal resulted in her arrest. At the station, her BAC of .14 confirmed she had been driving under the influence, nearly twice the legal limit.
Oh, great. I really
So?
have to fucking pee.
Juliet, Bravo, Juliet, Mike 02, JBJM02 on a blue and
Do me a favor. Do you have anything in your mouth right now? Lift your tongue up. Beautiful. Thank you.
Confirm your location.
You want to see my asshole too?
No, I don't need to see that.
You want to see my too?
No, do not need to see that.
Well, okay. Well, that's what you're assuming. I live here. I work here. I bust my fucking ass. How long have you lived here?
Sure. A little bit.
What? How long have you lived here?
I lived here for 3 years.
Yeah. Okay.
So that makes me less of a person?
Oh, well.
What class
30 some odd years. That's cool.
So that entitles you to something?
Nope, not a goddamn thing. Except for young bucks like you that fucking chime in like, oh, what is your issue with me?
I don't have any issue with you right now. Other than the fact that you are arrested for DUI. There's no issue. Other than that, there's nothing.
What did I blow?
Have you blown yet?
Bingo.
Bingo's right.
So that's an automatic DUI. I know this. I know this.
Thought you haven't been arrested for DUI before.
No, I have not.
So
I'm just very smart with the fucking law because
because that's the
Because
process right now. So
only loud music on Willow Lane at 74.
Oh, sorry, they're gonna have to because you're a newbie. You're a newbie. They're gonna have to shut you down.
Call me what you want.
That's cute. That's cute. I know you're gonna arrest me. I know you're gonna put me in the hole. I get that. Well, not the whole.
District 16 at 61. I want to keep a follow.
Becky worried about her job, fearing her DUI arrest would affect her position as a teacher. DUI arrests can lead to disciplinary actions like suspension or termination. Officers reminded her that driving under the influence is dangerous and illegal, regardless of her intent.
Sit down in the chair. Sit. Nobody fucking resisted you. They brought around the bathroom. I went to the bathroom. We're gonna go back. Yep. Stop resisting. I'm gonna hurt you. Who's resisting you? Why are you breaking my fingers? Stop resisting me. I'm not gonna. I need to pee. I need to pee.
I got this.
Yep. Relax.
Can I pee?
7 on unit south of the 112.
Sit down. Sit down.
Can I pee? That's all I was trying to do was pee.
I told you we had to do this first. Right? Do not resist me and do not try to hit me or push me.
Nobody tried to touch you.
Look how many cameras you have.
Incompetent fuck.
Sit down. Sit down. How many times?
I have to pee.
Go ahead.
I'm not that uncouth. I'm not that uncouth.
Are you going to provide the samples or not? Listen, do you think you're the first one? And you think you're going to be the last? So,
missing teenager.
Here we are.
Yeah, there were 4 of you. 4 of you that needed to restrain me.
Nope, I did
because I'm such a threat. I'm so violent and.
Becky Miranda's actions during the arrest led to charges of driving under the influence, DUI, and improper lane usage. Under Illinois law, DUI is governed by 625 ILCS 5/11-501, which outlines the penalties for driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs. A first offense DUI typically results in a minimum 6-month license suspension, and Becky's refusal to submit to a breath test will likely result in further penalties, including a longer license suspension. Additionally, Becky's refusal to take the breathalyzer test falls under Illinois' implied consent law, 625 ILCS 5/11-501.1, which mandates that drivers consent to chemical testing when suspected of DUI. Refusal to submit to such tests carries severe penalties, including an automatic 1-year license suspension and potentially more severe legal consequences. This serves as a lesson on the dangers of driving under the influence, followed by an example where alcohol leads to unnecessary outcomes. A woman driving under the influence collided with a motorcycle while leaving her home. Officers suspected DUI and began questioning her, but her defiant behavior led to multiple confrontations. Why did she resist so strongly from the start?
Okay. So the reason I stopped you, you almost went through that red light at Deer Path and Golf, and then while I was following you, your driver's side tires crossed over the solid yellow line in the middle there. That splits the lane. Can I have your driver's license and insurance, please? Is everything okay today? Yes. Okay. Why is that? Okay. Well, I'm not pulling you over for speed.
Get my license and give me my insurance. Can you give me a minute?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
I'm not rushing you. Where are you coming from today?
My son's basketball team.
Where is that at? That's where you're coming from? Okay. Have you been drinking today? Well, I'm not stopping you for speed.
I get that. There's no reason people.
Well, I told you the reason why I stopped you. Can I have it? Thank you. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. What was that?
You have my insurance.
Yeah. I am looking at it right now. Is everything okay?
The officers quickly began their investigation, but the woman's disoriented behavior and inconsistent statements raised suspicions. Frustrated, they explained her rights, yet she continued to resist. Why would she refuse the sobriety test if she believed she was not impaired?
Yeah, so turn around and do 9 steps back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. I'm going to do 10. 10.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. You keep going until I tell you to stop.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay?
Yep.
1016, 1017,
Oh, you can stop.
1018,
You can stop.
1019.
All right. So now that I asked if you want to provide a breath sample with our PVT, are you willing to provide a breath sample?
No, I'm not.
No?
I passed your test.
Okay. Is that a no? You don't want to do that at all?
No.
Okay. All right. We'll go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
No. I'll commit.
You will? Okay.
Seriously, guys, come on! I'm a teacher in the area. I passed your test. Give me a break. Okay. Like, come on! Do you really want to be like this?
Okay, so you're gonna blow in it like you're blowing up an air balloon, okay? Take a big deep breath and you're gonna blow into it.
Okay, ready? Big deep breath and keep blowing until I tell you to stop, okay?
The woman became increasingly hostile, making threatening comments and demanding to use the restroom. When denied, she threatened to urinate on the officers and accused them of mistreatment. Her defiant behavior led to her arrest for DUI, resisting arrest, and obstruction, creating additional legal complication.
Funded license for a year. Then give me a break. No one's doing that. So then what are you saying you want to do? Well, I guess I have to go to Lake Bluff. If you want to do, okay. No, I don't want to go to Lake Bluff. Okay. Okay, can I call my husband? Can I figure out what's going on? Where's my car on the side of the road? You want to give your husband a call right now? Can I please not have my car on the side of the road? Can I please? Your car was towed.
Leave that off. You can't put it on.
You can't put that stuff on. Just leave it all there.
So when am I coming back for this?
Right after you blow, we're taking you back here.
So wait, when am I getting my car?
You're going to have to get your car tomorrow.
So
I hope you guys are good. Like, I'm a second grade teacher. Like, are you guys serious?
So just to confirm.
I'm going to, like, Uber to my job, getting dropped off. Like, this is insane. This is insane.
Okay, so just to confirm, you want to blow and go to Lake Bluff?
Well, what am I going to do? Have a suspended license for a year?
You can say yes or no.
Come on, guys. Do I need to call my lawyer now? Are you guys being real with me?
We're being real with you. The option's yours. You're more than welcome to make a phone call right now.
And then what? Have a suspended license for a year?
And then if you want to go to Lake Bluff, to go blow.
I'm such a great role model. For my kids' father.
Your DD.
She gave me my DD. It's great.
She'll be driving.
Hire the Uber.
She'll be driving you around now.
Yeah. So great.
Soon enough,
the woman's refusal to submit to a breathalyzer test led to immediate DUI charges and the potential suspension of her driver's license. Her belligerent attitude and resistance to lawful orders resulted in additional charges for obstruction and resisting arrest. Under Florida law, her refusal could lead to a 1-year license suspension, and her aggressive behavior may complicate her legal situation further. These cases are a powerful reminder of the role traffic laws and personal accountability play in maintaining public safety. They also point to the need for more education on substance abuse prevention.
Don't touch my phone.
I'm gonna yank it out, and I'm gonna yank you out if you don't come out on your own.
Just don't give me a phone. Touch my shit.
If someone's drunk, can they do that? Probably not, right? And I will do.
Come here. I got an easier one for you.
No.
Yes.
What you want? I'm not resisting. Roxanne.
The police pulled over a woman, a nursing student, for speeding. When asked if she had been drinking, she denied it, but her slurred speech and erratic behavior led the officers to suspect otherwise.
Have we had anything to drink today?
No.
No.
Our ex just left us. He's actually like en route.
Huh? Okay. Your ex? So how much have we had to drink today? Nothing. So why are we speeding? I'm doing 45 in a 35-mile-an-hour zone. You have your ID on you?
Do you want my passport or which one do you want? No, I'm being honest. Do you want to call Katie? You want me to call Kevin? Or Tammy?
The woman became defensive, mentioning personal issues like a breakup and her children being taken by her ex. Despite these explanations, she was unable to provide coherent answers or calm herself.
I'm calling Diane Quinn. Actually,
I don't care who you're calling. Come on.
Don't touch my phone.
I'm gonna yank it out, and I'm gonna yank you out if you don't come out on your own.
Just don't give me my shit.
Let's go.
Record him. Record him. I got it.
This side.
I'm actually.
All right, put the cigarette down.
Can I please?
No, put the cigarette down.
Come on. All right, watch out.
Please.
Over here.
We're gonna close the doors. Listen, ma'am. Come on.
Chicago, except Chicago.
Right above here
people
for
get
me.
Shot. Actually, cops get shot, which sucks. Why am I slurring? Because my boyfriend actually jumped out of the car about 20 miles back. It's good for you. Go ahead. You can actually verify all passport, Illinois, Floyd cards actually in my.
All right, do me a favor. Take your hat off for me. Come on up over here so we're out of the road. All right, so like I told you when I drove up, you drove up on me like I was standing still. Talking to you inside the car, you got slurred speech.
You have to understand everything that I've been through, and kids are in Chicago because my ex took them, and we have therapy. We actually have, you know what?
Have we had anything to drink?
No worries, that's not your fucking problem.
Nope, it's not.
Get it.
So do me a favor, go ahead and put your hand.
She refused to cooperate with the officers when they instructed her to exit the vehicle, growing increasingly argumentative. At one point, she began mocking the sobriety test procedures, further escalating the situation by openly challenging the officers and refusing to comply with their requests.
I'll do that for you.
All right, so with your eyes and eyes only, what you can do is you can keep an eye on this blue light. All right? So hands at your sides.
It's not even gonna happen.
So how much have we had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Actually, I have my prescription with my contacts.
All right, so where are we coming from?
Where am I coming from?
Copy, thank you.
My
Bye,
aunt's house in Key West. She's a doctor.
All right, so based on your driving pattern, well, not really, I didn't really have a driving pattern, but just based on your, okay, well, good. I don't care about your boyfriend right now.
It doesn't matter.
I think you're under the influence of alcohol. Do you want to participate in field sobriety exercises? Not valid, seize tag, and a business purposes only. So she's coming from her aunt's house. She's not in business. Yep. This is you wanted to play this game, so let's play. How much have we had to drink tonight? I'm taking care of people that are driving crazy right now.
You're making up your own story at this point. I asked you for a lighter. I would have cooperated with you. You have no idea what the hell we
Okay, I'm not here for what's going on.
In the past 25 minutes, you want to sit there and say I've been drinking. I will sit there and do handstands.
I don't care about your handstands. Do you want to do field sobriety exercises? Yes
I
or
can
no?
do a field sobriety that you can't even.
It's a yes or no answer.
What do you want me to do?
Yes or no answer.
Answer my question.
No, you answer mine. That's not how this game works.
No, sir.
Yes, that is exactly how this works. It's a yes or no answer.
Do you want me to do back then? I'm sorry. If someone's drunk, can they do that? Probably not, right?
So yes or no?
Call my grandpa right now.
So yes or no?
Please. Thank you.
Yes or no?
No, don't worry.
The police attempted to administer field sobriety tests, but the woman either could not or would not follow instructions. She offered irrelevant responses, such as being able to perform a backflip, and continued to question the officer's motives.
All right, Aaron, so just based off your, like I was standing still, your slurred speech, I believe you're under the influence of alcohol. Your ex was an axe.
Like 3 of my kids.
What you can do is you can stand with your feet together, your hands at your sides. So with your right index finger, it's going to be this finger right here. You're going to touch the top of this light. Touch the top of the light. All right, put your hand back down. The feet together and your hands at your sides. You're going to follow this light that you just touched with your index finger. Without moving your head. Do you understand? All right, it's with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Follow this light with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand? All right, hands at your feet together and hands at your sides.
During the initial eye movement test, she had difficulty maintaining her composure, repeatedly failing to keep her head steady as required for the sobriety assessment. This lack of control hindered the accuracy of the test and raised concerns about her ability to follow basic instructions during the evaluation.
Okay, so do not start until I tell you. Do you understand? Okay, so right back to where you were with your left foot on the line, your right foot in front of it. When I tell you you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, when you get down to your 9th step, you're going to take your lead foot.
Can you do me a favor? Just listen. Just stop what you're doing and listen.
And I will do that.
All right, come here. I got an easier one for you.
No.
Yes, yes, yes.
What you want? I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Roxanne!
You have a gun in the seat?
No, sir.
You just said you did.
I said I got a Glock in my safe. You're welcome. Actually, from Sergeant.
All right, so this is what I'm going to tell you. If you have any drugs or any illegal substances on you, but when we get to where we're going, if you have anything, it's going to be an introduction of contraband. Do you understand?
Honestly, this. I'm leaving this house.
Due to her failure to comply and the evidence of intoxication, the officers arrested her for driving under the influence, DUI. She resisted the arrest, but the officers ultimately took her into custody. The woman violated multiple laws in this incident, primarily related to driving under the influence, DUI. DUI laws vary by state, but in general, they prohibit the operation of a motor vehicle by individuals whose blood alcohol content, BAC, NEC, exceeds the legal limit, usually 0.08%. Under many state laws, such as those outlined in Chapter 316.13 of Florida statutes, DUI can result in severe penalties. These may include license suspension, ranging from 6 months to 1 year for first-time offenders, fines, mandatory participation in alcohol education programs, and possible jail time. In cases where the defendant refuses to participate in sobriety tests, as this woman did, penalties may be even harsher. In addition to DUI, she may face charges for resisting arrest without violence, as demonstrated by her refusal to comply with the officer's commands. These charges could compound her legal troubles, adding fines and potential jail time. Resisting arrest without violence is generally classified as a misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail, according to Chapter 843.02 of Florida statutes. Her behavior during the stop could also be interpreted as disorderly conduct, which further violates public safety laws. Disorderly conduct charges are often tied to public intoxication or actions that disturb the peace, carrying additional fines and potential jail time. Under Chapter 877.03, in this case, the critical role of adhering to traffic laws and personal responsibility in safeguarding public safety is clearly demonstrated. It underscores the need for heightened awareness and education around substance abuse as part of our collective effort to create a safer community. We invite you to share your thoughts on this situation in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful